our job. We must protect ourselves, we must protect only the man that they can until he comes out.
I met you, Naki Baza. All of you will join Media Warrior.
Yes, so Onyendu is here, the DOS, and these are Anginilodula. Yes? So anything that comes that is not of God, that is not of Onyendu and DOS. Yes, that's our job. We must protect ourselves, we must protect only the man that they can until he comes out.
I met you,
Look at people of weak mind, very weak disposition. I need men and women made of steel. Nothing moves. You continue to push forward, never knowing what it means to retreat. Only forward can you go. Look at people of weak mind, very weak disposition. I need men and women made of steel. Nothing moves. You continue to push forward, never knowing what it means to retreat. Only forward can you go.
IPOB has come out and emphatically stated,
very weak,
and I believe them, that they are no longer part of this criminal gang, as it were. And they are now working with us, and we'll probably see their own actions in the next few days, and the people are waiting to see what they can or cannot do to join us. And we called on them on the day of our inauguration. That if you are not part of this, come out and join us to build a livable and prosperous homeland. So I see, parts of this. Of course, within the agitation movement, we have to agree that there are now factions. There are various factions. There is one led by one guy in Finland called Simon Epa or something. And his own group, IPOB, has come out and pointedly accused that group of being the ones behind much of the criminality taking place now in the Southeast. So it's a very huge positive development. A lot of them in the bush out there, they're having camps here and there. They come out from there to kidnap and kill and so on. So once we isolate all the groups that are not involved in this element,
the governors came, not the army now. The governors came and said we should hand over Eastern Security Network to them so that they will be paying these young men salaries and put them on salary scale and the rest of it. And now they feel that they have gotten all they want. These men, this camp has become the expendable for them. Now they were able suddenly to be able to go in and attack and destroy this. Of course, it's good that they took away these villains that had been, causing a lot of trouble for the Biafran people. But that is, if they are not, going to relocate them to another place and their trouble. But we are waiting for them. And we are ready for them. And while we are on this, I am appealing to the governors of the Eastern region. In fact, not only the Eastern region now, the whole of the Eastern region, the Biafran states, Ebonyi to Delta to Bayelsa to Rivers and name it, all of you, all your governors. What I am asking you to do tonight, Abia State Governor, I know that you will not fail your people. That your name, that the poor people will continue to talk about you. Anambra State Governor, that the people will talk about you. Enugu State Governor, Ebonyi State, Delta State, River State, all of you. They told us, they came to us.
To witness the land of Biafra. He said, our enemies are in an almighty mess. Our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, wherever he is, it shall be well with him. And any tongue that rises against him shall be destroyed. Any hand that rises against him shall be destroyed. More importantly, anybody that speaks against Biafra under the...
All right, welcome back to my channel. I greet all of you on the comment section. I can see our people there, and I'm gonna start by appreciating you. You know, from the
leadership of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu.
We have our own sister, the goddess. Say, I don't land. I greet you. Your comment actually came before we start the program, so I just want our people to know. Mazikai, I greet you. Udo Derege, one name Mado. Thank you so much, the goddess. And you said, hey, I'm number one today to be in the house. Everybody. Okay, Green has everybody. I greet you. Goddess, truly, you are number one. You are number one. You are the first to make comments. Kevin said, good evening, Mazi. Good evening to you. Let me remove the video so that I can be reading it without delay. Yeah. I greet you, Kevin. We have our sister, our mommy. Yeah. Our mommy is in the house. That is Ngozika. Ngozika. Greet you, ma. Good afternoon, Mazi. Good afternoon, my Genoa Biafrans and Mazi Kai. Greetings to you. Also blessed, one of us. I greet to one of the Kekime. Good evening from here, Mazi Kai report. Good evening to you, Odogwoke. I greet you. I greet you. Or what you want to say? One name, yeah. That's what I want to say. I greet you too. Thank you so much. We have our mommy again. Okay, said you took the first position indeed. Kudos to you, the goddess. Oh yeah, she did. And Tiny, please, I don't know. Is it Mbasa, not Mbaise. Ike, Ikombaise. Tiny, Ikombaise. I don't know. Your name is appears to be me. Maybe you can change it if you don't mind. You said good evening to you. Tina said again, are you still on? No, we are just starting. Maybe you were thinking that we are finished. No. Yes, so I think you said yes, so number one. Because I don't understand, they said be one madam. Okay, yes, so I be number one. Yeah, I get it. That's what. Yes, so I be number one today. How are you? How are you? How are you, ma? May God bless you. In the world, the goddess. What a bright. Brother Kai, good evening to you. I'm Marichi Goze, our own brother. Greetings, Biafrans. Goddess again said, eventually you don't come, Mazika. Yeah, I am here. You keep us waiting for too long. I'm sorry. But I said the time and I put it there. You can see the time. Maybe you, okay. Before I said the time, you already started commenting. So that's what happened. They were Mazika report and they were greetings to you. Ocean Mustard, they were. I greet you. Ototo Oma Mazikai, our own money man. Okay, boy, ego. As you join, hit the like button. That from Franco. Yes, so please do like the video. Edit is MSM day one day to you. This is so that was a speech. Always sound like a broken calabash. Yeah. The man is not, how he became professor is actually a mystery. Mazi Kai, thank you so much for your help and support to USB. When you say help, it sounds like maybe I'm a Ghanaian helping USB. Now our own. No. Somewhere the Biafra is short. Is a short dream, and it's not a dream, my brother. It's a reality. Thank ma. That's okay. Goddess. Mommy Ngozi, guys in the building. Good evening, my beloved ones here present. Ndewo Mazikai. Ndewo, I greet you. And good evening, Sir John Okenwa. I greet you all. That is Paulie. Ndewo, Paul. I greet you, Paul. And we have who again is here? Chi. Okay. Chidebube, I see you, Mazi. Is it good morning? Good morning. Wow. Good morning. Okay. Ndewo, say good morning this time. I greet you, Mazikai. Okay, we have who is the person, please? Okay. Chinonso, you're welcome. Our own sister is in the building, Margaret. I greet you, Margaret. Good evening, Mazikai. Ndewo, you're welcome. Chugozie. Is that spelling Chugozie? Okay, you just said Chugozie. YBE, I don't know. Chugozibe Gi, I believe. Chugozibe Gi for all you do. Okay, thank you so much. And Margaret said 29th of November 2024 is still standing. It's unquestionable. Mazikai, I greet you richly. Remain blessed. Good evening. One name. Thank you so much. I greet you, sir. Chukum Bezibo. I greet you. And you said, Tina, it's me, John Okenwa. Okay. These are brother. You and this your account, you know go buy me. Amaji go say the goddess greet you. Amaji go say I don't know. Goddess only Kenegi. So much means I did not join late today. Not at all. We are starting. My Margaret, please, my dear, don't cancel your flight to Finland. I beg you. Yes, so the goddess herself, I greet you, ma. All right, that's from Margaret. I think we have a few people, few more names to go before we start. Is me using? Okay, yeah, I know. I realized you said that the other day. Mazi Okenwa, I greet you. That's from River Goddess. All right, so let's go straight to the program. Those of you, in case if you're not aware, I want to start with this video of Achalugo. Just pay attention. Please don't forget to like the video. I'm begging you. Okay, we don't need to waste much time. This is 30 minutes, going to 40 minutes of the program. So I think it's time.
Share this video. Share.
Let's start from here.
Si nwunye Mazi Nnamdi Kanu na-apụ ala. Ke the last time gị na Mazi Nnamdi Kanu kwuru anụ ọfịa? Ke the last time gị na-ekwuru? Gị na Mazi Nnamdi Kanu okwuru when? Ke si nwunye Mazi as in no mistake that's not nwunye Mazi Nnamdi Kanu ko, but I'm sitting here today to tell each and every one of you that na ọ bụghị otu aka nwaanyị a na-anụ anụ kwesịrị isi wee na-akpa agwa ne ya. Nwaanyị ọbụla bụ ụdị isi ma na-akwụ na ka ọ na-agba. Look at her very well. Nwaanyị na-challenge the others of a man no claim na ọ mụrụ ya nwa. She's claiming to be the wife of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, but she's a coward. That's onwere uche. Nazi uche kolya. Onye anu nwonu na afu na scream ebe nwaanyị abukoro moto. Onwe ihe ọpa shamaru video, onwe ihe ọpa stalo. But ihe m na-achọ igwe unu tata bụ that na anywhere you see this woman spit on her. O meni ha wolola mmadi. That's wolola design wo ihwe. Onwe anything game. Because na nwaanyị si na as in na die elu uhie. It shows that that's onwe hu nsopuru. Onye abụghị nwaanyị Igbo. Genti, let me tell you, one of ihe nwaanyị na-eme recently na social media na amịghali ka agwọ mmiri. Otu a ka o si eme Mazi Nnamdi Kanu inside the house. One of this chekeleke. One of this maggot on my screen here. This woman who put the reason why life for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu you already in danger. Every time or that's it, or what you come as in Nnamdi Kanu Aquanonu. Every time or now, the beer yamu called as in or Dochiko Aquanonu. Now frustrate our leader, a supreme leader, a man the word on our bowel, and no man on our fueba. Ada kwelo onye ndugu okpo ya tai otusiari akpayilo from UK chopia menka onye ndu adi homeless na agagali ka onye na enwero mmadu because of no je kochata this ochicha this chekeleke dosanuno onamigwe and being the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra he cannot speak up onye ka ọ na akolu under him ka ọ ga-eje chisabalo maka chekeleko oje kotelo onwe ifu na nya bụ ihe bụ a shameful thing. That's now our leader. Na chekeleko jeru kochata na a very wretched family. Na obiaro na akpu isi. Na enye ya nsowu. Odazo okwa ka akpa onye ndu otopo. Mbu anumanu ono na afu here. Oputa na social media. Ibi display her madness. But madam, listen to me. Let me tell you. I will place you where you belong today. Okay, foge. Mma chikota go today bundle oge. Afum that na that your akpa respect ga agbawago. That is why iji we puta na social media. They na display oge bi na akpila.
You know, when this thing started, people actually rumor that it was this lady that is frustrating Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Some say no, don't say what you don't know. Oyendu wife cannot do that. People are, oh, this innocent woman. Do you know that everything that have been rumored is now playing out in public? That, in fact, inside that Anan bringing it out as a proof. Everything. I don't want to start calling those names, those things, but believe me, everything they said about this woman in the past. She have just proved that to be real. Right. This life.
Onu apuna. Ina abia akpili anyi onu. Ina abia gwa anyi people that we should follow and people that we. Who are you? Anyi onu lo nu we join the movement na apuala. Who are you? Onye nu lo nu onye mo onye bo. Onye emage. Did we hear your voice before we joined? What makes you think that in Ilugo the level AB Kwoku na IPOB? Who are you?
I greet you.
Ibu a member of IPOB in our to do in IPOB. In our kwako in our wajiji. And no funwa and that nanyacho de jogi kedu kisi when I cope with you wago and chineke pokwago oko anofia nwlawu ofumpuru nwa kada ke ga ha katawu because you are a lazy woman. Because you are a lazy woman. As it actually.
How this lady can on my platform before? Look at it now. Everything about this woman is not playing at the fact. Or that no if a man that respect on a boot on that thing has expired.
Can you heji we jelu olu kata for only child iji ofunwa ina adokpughali ofunwa I manage muta as in kega henye nwunni one child people na raise 7 children 10 children single-handedly without the help of their husband obuzi ofunwa ke ina amanya as in ke ina amajiji ka anumanu Chineke abuo maga onu okwa Mazi Nnamdi Kanu the problem or daily today after know your plan that time Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's life dị na danger opawalo Kanu ntakanu onwa anyi achupulu onye ndu n'ilo she sent him away and na track onye ndu na track gale Mazi Nnamdi Kanu na-ezogali for his life ebe obu na ojelu that's the thing eme indike kezi ka osiwe as in kezi we na amalu where about o Mazi Nnamdi Kanu all this anumanu this chekele
ejiri Nigerian government we gachigo dia na they coach akpa omaru na akwanyere ogo now everything is now in public
put the life of our leader into danger. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu we kporo cancer desala onwe we kporo ihe desa by his side o we na amia blood to the opotago baby gwanyi that no yanwa beje chogwu no yan free to follow whosoever that you want to follow but if we in this struggle you may see anyhow aga piago plank nisi. That's how you got piago pirinisi e gbara oso gbakpo chirenu let's go ko happy de ka mo bia ni ko onu listen because him na aputan the last time I gave her warnings agwa mi asia nwanyi na wi ala na kpuo obu na onwe ka o si delege That's an akwụna nke ga abago na brain. Ji nwa yo pio onwego ka akwa si na IPOB pụọ. Sepụ ọnụ n'ihe gbasara IPOB. Hapụ anyị na Mazi Nnamdi Kanaka. Whatever he says goes. Abụ na ede akwa ilu ugbo inside house. For the fact that na ipụtago na public domain no na IPOB ka ị na-ekwu okwu. Jiri nwa yo pio onwego ka akwa. Take your disrespect ị na-enye Mazi Nnamdi Kanu welie na kpuru. Maka if I remember you, Oman dekwa.
Ọ no onye we bandre Oman, all suppose him that na. Ebe anyị na-aga sef na that never about easily. I suppose you go if though on the US and the SDUS no real. A book of the attack though. I suppose the open all the smart. Or can you give between PM and the SDUS? My remember that now Omaka by abroad in a market like that. Now I can't but I got caught up again. You know, Achalugo work there. This year, if you may order, if Achalugo plan. Opposite plan. Go with it 2 by 2. Mano, you lance. I go buy you. Put it on them.
I want her. How many of you can bear me witness? Or that's or when you want to say na Achalugo. But some man not gonna need you today. Share this video. Let me bring our videos because him awada boss say here na nkete. Mwanya me video nwanne nya we na elewasi onu. Chere let me start. Kezi data anụmanụ chere. Oh my goodness. Nwanya afum no nya na awiala. Ibiala egwa anyị how otisi disrespect Mazi Nnamdi Kanu inside the house. Uja da atoge.
Good morning, good afternoon, good night.
Chere me shiono. Wait. Let me bring this anụmanụ. Kuno na anụkwa o. Onye na-abịa agwa anyị okwu unity. Onye na-abịa igwa anyị okwu unity. Jụọ na anụmanụ a when last did you communicate? Did you speak to your husband? Ke the last time anụmanụ a this akwunike, this chekeleka anụ ofia, this thing a na-akpọ Uchechi anyanwụ. Uchechi anyanwụ. Ke the last time go na digukwulu okwu na-abịa igwa anyị na ebu nwunye Chineke kpọkwa gị ọkụ. What makes you nwunye Mazi Nnamdi Kanu na-apụ ala? Ke the last time go na Mazi Nnamdi Kanu kwulu anụ ofia? Ke the last time go na ekwulu? Go na Mazi Nnamdi Kanu okwulu when? Ke when go na Mazi Nnamdi Kanu kwulu last? He put his life in the mess on a guy into now. Or because of a vagabond do de kage, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu we die na kandilo. In 1 year peace of mind. Okona ekwana na kandilo putakwa na emela anyị damage control. Every time he puta propaganda, you know Bugari, abu na Chike doziem na alago puta bia gwa ụmụ ụwa. Bia gwa anyị your relationship with these people. Abuna hana alage biagwanyi your relationship with Chike doziem. Can you hear that you cannot enter house and respect your husband? Can you hear Jikolo go na Chinasa? Chinasa nworo din in a right position. Ina akolo gi hedigu neme. Or Chinasa na anugi ko Mazi Nnamdi Kanu na anugu Uchechi. Uchechi or Chinasa nworo na anugi ko Mazi Nnamdi Kanu bonye nuroge. Onye okere onye na anugu n'ime nda. Or Chinasa ga-agwa gị ihe ị ga-eme na your marriage. Chinasa nworu na agbaziri gị onu. Ya na agwa gị your do's and don'ts. Okay? You as in you respect Chinasa nworu na Chike doziem ha. Enemies of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. You respect them more than a man. Imuru nwa. Okay? No anagu ni yita, don't worry. Share this video. Let me bring a video because unu mana nchiri I want ya. Let me start from that 21.
Members of the Biafran community worldwide.
Come on, make sure noise sound off. Come on, shut your trash.
When my link goes live, a part of me will be revealed. As you all know, we went to Sokoto. I was not meant to travel that far, not yet, at least.
Emechati yetagwakuna anyị soji niile na-aga ihe merego ị ga-abụ na ibupu na akpa nwa gị call anyị because na ya dịbe sure na-ekwu ije Sokoto gịnị medie.
Some of you know, some of you do not know that I had a major surgery. When my link goes live, a part of me will be revealed at least every once a month. Okay, so I need our people to understand and to know me at least, because some people don't know me, some people don't know anything about me. Some people choose to create some.
This woman na onye a na-ekwu okwu kita na onye ejidi eji onye die nọ na prison nwaanyị ọ na-ekwu okwu ka onye dị concerned that na die nọ in danger. Onwere any atom of that's ihe mwute dị nwaanyị a n'onu. That's ọ na-ekwugodo okwu onwe that na onwe surgery. Onwere onye n'ime unu since ejide Mazi Nnamdi Kanu ayabeghị ahụ here. Unu ma how many times nna anyị ahụ nwaanyị abịa na radio that's ọ bịa na ha platform ebe ịgwa anyị na o mee major surgery. Ọkwa unu na-afị onye eji di eji o na o je Sokoto okwunwuli ihe that's okwunwuli ihe mee na Sokoto okwulie here ọkwa ihe a na-agwa unu bụ na that's na emeri major operation na ebupụla na amami ihe ebupụrụ na ahịa mana ihe ọ bịara ikwu here ka anyị jekwa na the next part cherenu ịma na nwaanyị abụ egwu
abandon her children. She did this. You lay accusations and propaganda against people who are not there to defend themselves.
Okay.
Just to get peanuts.
Okay.
One thing you must know is that Ikonso was someone whose death pained Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and for you to mess with his children, you're in big hot soup. This thing you're running around and creating narratives all over the place, jumping like moron, will not save you. Just mark today's date, watch and see.
Anyị nwa ka ọ na-agwa that na anyị na jump up and down like morons. Ndị na fight for betterment of die. Ka ọ sị that na anyị na jump up and down like morons. Na-egenu ntị o. Na-egenu ntị.
Frank Okoye, how did you
now
know?
Why is that a battle for narrative control?
You will know you go with Afunja. How did you know?
The deeper consciousness behind why there is a battle for narrative control goes far beyond politics, IPOB, or even Africa. It is rooted in human psychology, power, identity, and survival. When you exploit at that level, the whole thing becomes clearer, sharper, and almost inevitable. We all have sacrificed one thing, two things, three things, or more.
Jụọlụ nwaanyị a gịnị ka Chike Doziem na ndị otu ọ na-defend today sacrifice golo si we all jụọlụ nwaanyị a gịnị ka Chika with Chinasa Nworu na ndị otu gịnị ka ha sacrifice golo ọ sị that na we all have sacrificed gịnị ka Chike Doziem na Chinasa Nworu sacrifice golo so far since eji wee jide di nwaanyị a chere unu nuzie nke bụzi kpọtọkpọtọ ka ibidozie ihe anụnwa.
Every other single person were not in his house. They also had grown old and were being looked after by their children. So you lovers of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu do not love him to his peril. Do not love him to your own destruction. You bring your destruction and your toxicity and you are bringing it around Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, affecting every single thing that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has.
I'm not on this party.
I will continue to say it. This is not the right time.
I actually think that you're in position to tell people how to love Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Sometimes you might be on a good level, they are good. Like you might if you game in a operate, your class. A way class, whether you like it or not, a way level no one not going on here. Drum me if I can hear you. If I am get I want what are the thing now? Nah, this lady, she nigga better. I don't blame because someone more can go about Ghana, all those developed countries. I don't blame you. Look at this one. While pitching out water from somewhere in Abia State, Tiana Kedipo across oil abroad. Okay, then just here. Do not love you. Really? Go at it. So you are not the one to rate how people will love Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. And they have not, I didn't play this party when I reacted on that video. I'm not gonna lie to you. I just, skipped it.
Time for chaos. This is not the right time for squabbles. This is not the right time for quarreling, for exchanging words. This is not the right time. We have something more pressing.
I agree with you.
Jụọlụ nwaanyị a gịnị ka ọ gwalu Chike Doziem mgbe Mazi Nnamdi Kanu gwara ya si ya step down. Gịnị ka ọ gwalu Chike Doziem Wanya una wana video ni no ku 1 minute 30 ihe anwa. Na wanya anwa okuta azo suta hanude. About Chike doziem na Mazi Nnamdi Kanu isanya step odan wanya ekute ya n'okwu. O jump all those things so I can believe I can believe that na DOS have nothing evil against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu.
And that is our responsibility because these squabbles, this nonsense, they damage the movement's credibility. It does not just damage the movement's credibility, it also damages Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's credibility. Because public perception matters. I know you guys are morons, you don't know what integrity is, you don't know what
Madam Chukwu moron. Because moron, you see the life of your husband into danger. Your husband did the word on our worship, alone on your side. That's he will not turn into rag. He will
The annoying part is that if after committing this crime, when people talk about just little thing about her, some people will jump out and begin to say, oh, a woman that is suffering, her husband is not here, but she's the one that put the husband there. Remember when Lizzy Kano was assaulting PM, that made Mazi to react on that video that I played here some time ago. I don't know why I have not posted that video on my ex, because I need to be keeping all those things on my ex. But I think I will work on my ex today. I may release some of these videos that are here on my laptop to be saved there for future purpose. Because I don't want to add their mom. So you actually think that this woman is from Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? Anybody that's still thinking that you need to reset your mindset. You need to reset it. Lizzy Kanu was bashing PM. Not that PM insulted her, but that why must people that follow PM allow PM? Why must PM allow people that follow him to question her? When the issue, the remedies was one, going deeper. Akonika and all that. Kita na remedies change go pattern. When I say anyway, that's a story for another day. I actually made a video about it, earlier today, because I don't support threatening. I don't like it. You don't need to threaten anybody.
So ge kwaka akpa tupilo maka na ị nọ na UK. Na taba anyị bịa mee ya ka anyị tie go mgbada nwụrụ anwụ n'isi. Agụnwa bụ a moron, a useless woman. You cannot respect your husband. Ị da-akwali di ugwu na ọnụ ọjọọ gị. Onye kpọrọ onwe nwunye ma na ụdịka okwu ị na-apụta na redio abịa ekwu. Ị na-abịa akpọ people, that's the people ka gị mma as in morons. Anyị na-agụ ke ndị bụ moron. Onye nzuzu ị na-ekwu okwu fake account. Kedu onye na-use fake account na this drug if not Chinasa Nworu? Your boyfriend. Go in and use the fake account na this movement if not Chinasa Nworu. In a big one morons.
And this woman is very, very useless. People that this SGS used to say that Mazi Kanu is using fake account to comment. He's sending message to me, he's threatening me. He's using fake account. Mocking a man that even Mazi Kanu is using fake account, he should use fake account if he have access to. So you want him to use Mazi Kanu official handle so that it will now trend. That Mazi Kanu is, you know what I mean? They are not good people at all. David, God bless you for your comment. He said, good evening, Mazi Kanu. Good evening to you. You are welcome. You're welcome. Uchechi is I'm gonna cool. Okay, goddess. I guys are going. She is pretending and sounding as if she cares or fell for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I don't know. She don't pretend anything anymore, my brother. All the kind of get ever. I don't see any pretense anymore. She's actually pissed off. She's just dishing it out. Even I don't expect her to go this hard, but all them
don't worry, let me move your this thing. The letters. You know, say that's taking my time study at this woman. This
structure and allied organizations. So you morons, when you sit in your house and type, why is Uchechi not doing protests without the women in the world? What are you do? What have you done and said to Uchechi, come, you're needed here. Uchechi, oh, I need to speak to one of these leaders. Oh, this is what is required of us. It is for the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. No, you create your own camp. You start your chaos. And then you say, what is Uchechi doing? Uchechi, what is she doing? All the protests that Winnie attended were organized by the ANC, by the movement structure. Her role was often that of a symbol of resistance, a mobilizer, and public advocate. She was not the one setting them up. It was the people, because they had sense. They had a common purpose. They were fighting for the release of their leader and the restoration of their people. For apartheid regime to end.
I compare with the wife of Nelson Mandela. This man, I'm of your quick from Nelson Mandela. Oh, yeah, come on, at the end of the day, Chireno, let me move this thing.
Okay, thank you. This is our platform. He's
Is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's backbone.
From our own land, why are not coupled to you? Why can't I get my family? I brought for her own good, her own effort to come on, my good, you nowhere. All right, sometimes people will think that you are there's something that you want to gain from that. I know why I'm emphasizing on that. Because current concern, truth stands. You can't push it away. I want to give an effect make it that now after redeclaration of Biafra, some people begin to think that they are ultimate. I am the one that read that document. Without me, Washington will done with policy and I query. They will be the first to accuse you. Oh, you are forming a group. Oh, this one is forming group. Look at them. Just calm down and go back and see what they're doing. Just calm down and go back and see what they're doing. You said no, okay, but I saw that dress, make plan and fly out to Finland. Redeclare Biafra. Followed, they did not even listen. It's not as if PM was arrested and Biafran begin to think under Briggy. I think if you declare Biafran, that will help him to come out. This had been the plan of Briggy. The whole thing that Briggy worked for 1 year is to plan for that redeclaration of Biafra. There's this kind of bitterness in my mind each time I watch not talking because some of you that I say can't report you are trying, I cannot sit down and watch Ogenkere to watch his video to the finish. Do you know that I even watch their contributors? Like people, there's a woman called Bishop, I don't know her full name, in the camp of Ogenkere. But some of your comments always discourage me, to bring all those things. Sometimes I feel like bringing is a waste of time. That UABCs don't like that kind of people. Some of you feel bored, but why you need to calm down, maintain who you are. That's your energy. What makes you who you are? You know yourself. Keep holding on to that, which is the truth. Why monitoring how other people are fumbling? Because it will embolden you enough to forge ahead. Why, like me now, I don't, that no matter what I watch, I don't feel weak or tired of knowing what I know. Because I did not support this truth because I want to gain something. Whatever that comes along the line is just added advantage. The primary purpose is to maintain this level, this energy, until you wall, akajolo, nandijolo, and all of ma. As I'm talking to you now, deep man all of ma. Or all of ma because people ndo babani any use na sabotage her effort. You know, when you talk about sabotage, it's not about, don't worry, we are coming back to this interview because everything has one or two things to do to each other. Why I'm going this way, this route is because of what she said. People are not creating, you guys are not creating group on your own. They are the one to maintain Kaba. They form Kaba, maintain Kaba, and want you to join Kaba because They believe they have brainwashed you enough that you can't even, you don't know your stand. You don't know when you said yes and when you said no. They, just like when some bad boys normally, bring a girl and, hide the girl, pretend to that the girl is you guys are enjoying. You now hide the girl. You know what I mean by hide the girl? So you can take advantage of her. They will come and give you something that is enticing. Then you begin to shiver and quiver. Before you know it, you fumble. And once you fumble, next they will present to you what will be of benefit to you personally, and so that you can downplay or ignore the benefit for all. That's when they will start giving you, Mazi, take this thing. Just keep on supporting me. Once you hear supporting me, not supporting us or supporting the government, back just knock and I. You should give a walls on do she don't back when news. Anybody come to the mass, continue this thing, do it for me. Something is wrong with them. But when you hear do it for us, it's for Biafrans. Because a criminal don't always reveal to you that he's a criminal. If you don't, you need to pay attention. Money, just give the person this. Tell the person, okay, I will get back to you or something. Keep on money. You will know the mindset of that person. God has a word, revealing it for you. After I read the relation of Biafra, which happened to be the effort of bringing for 1 year, some people decided to, let us taste and then I find it so gullible. I am the one going to Washington, D.C. If not, I don't go to Washington. When I look at old people, age, our mother, not just a mother, our grandmothers, our grandparents, like that bishop, that woman is old enough. Open my grandmother got in there. My grandmother died at 100 or something. This woman is old enough to be a lot of us to become our grandmother. If you see how this man is praised, a bishop, I don't know if he's a Ray bishop or guy name, because some of them are. I don't know if she's a Ray bishop, like in the church, not Catholic, please. In maybe Pentecostal church. I don't know if she's truly a bishop. But how can somebody of that age? That's why the one of Imam Madabu is shocking. Like, I feel that one looks like a dream to me. A man in that age supporting this kind of thing. We have a lot of saboteurs, but in different styles. How can you explain that? Do you know that even up till now, I'm still struggling to understand, to know what Ogenkere group know that made them to back Ogenkere. Not by banter, genuinely I want to know. Some of you don't know why I jumped to that guy platform. I went there, like I told you guys. The purpose of me going there just to understand what makes this man to, after just watch everything and try to on your laptop to defend Ogenkere. I can't understand it. Genuinely, I can't understand. I can't help myself on that. And until now, I'm still looking for Ogenkere member to explain to me. Like I asked you a question, you asked me, am I the one making mistake or go? The same thing applicable to Uchechi. You are married by a village girl, who those girls in Nigeria that normally feel like they studied together. They studied English with Elizabeth. Like they always want to sound, like a student from Oxford. They have a Polish English. If I'm not going to buy Nigerian passport, let alone get a visa. Master kind of way. If you are master professor now, no follow. I'm not feeling. Oh, that's the way we supposed to put on the thing. Or my bullet in the channel, or my bullet in why. My name is Yoko. Bullion name of why. Okay, I'm about again. In 2015, he supported Mazi Nnamdi enemy. Again, he repeated the same thing again. Are you sure you actually love Mazi Nnamdi before you even accept? Or did Mazi Nnamdi lie to you that this is who I am and you now joined and you find out that he's something else? I can't understand what that thing that will make a woman to do this kind of thing to her husband. Something that we do here, maybe fairy tales, all these tales by moonlight stories. I don't know that it's real. And it's not playing before us. You actually know the capacity of your husband. A man that you are dreaming to, you want him to die so you can become Branko Juku 2.0. Now he's not dying because you're not God. You are doing everything you could. Who know you actually in IPB? The same sickness that SDS is using now, because they don't know that. Imagine without Mazi, who would have believed? Please, how many of you would have known that somebody called Chicken? He will never come close to anything in me. I will never bother to know that in this world there's a person called Chicken. I don't know him, and I wouldn't even bother to read anything about him. Your name is out there because of Mazi Nnamdi. Your name is out there because of Mazi Nnamdi. Only you will have minds of a criminal. Only you will have character of a saboteur. Only you will have political mindset, greed and jealousy and envy. Only you will jam-pack everything evil. And you call yourself a human being. It's not going to work. Now, they have seen how people are voluntarily backing Mazi Nnamdi up, supporting him. He don't pay for media. Now, your man is low here. Please, if you are just joining us, don't forget to like the video.
And now his supporters are not. They're not talking about him. Now I see them around Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. And Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has told several people that the reason or some of the judgment against him were based on what Simon Ekpa did. Why?
Oh, what Simon Ekpa did? That means this woman did not even listen to the judgment. I challenge you, Uchechi, to tell us what they said about Oyame. And this Oyame could be framed up, funded by you and your cohorts. You know them. You remember, do you know those people that when you say you visit, that you are in Nigeria to visit Mazi Nnamdi, that place that you normally cross leg and take pictures. Hey, your gaze is as good as mine. That is the people that you are working with. That is where you recruit what you recruit. I saw SDS people on Facebook today sharing videos of what's the name of this guy from here? The one called Benjamin Madabugu, sharing his video where he was also, reiterating the same thing that Mazi Nnamdi is one causing insecurity. He said it then. They are now reminding him now because he's together with Methuselah. That changed nothing. You can be here, not here today, tomorrow. That's why personally I hardly go out and talk about people when I'm not sure, because when they flip-flop, that my old video will be against me. You know what I mean? That's why sometimes you need to calm down and think, make sure. That does not mean that you're not going to make a mistake. Nobody's above mistake. But I make it in such a manner that you can also be man enough to say, I'm sorry, I got it wrong. This is the right thing. That is what makes you a good person. You may forge, you go cheating for man. It's of you go, it's of you to take small time to say, oh, I'm sorry, I got it wrong. Go, please, my people, forgive me. Let's forge ahead together. You are busy justifying that thing that you are not, even in your mind, your spirit is telling you, my brother, this thing is not good. You actually made a mistake. You want to convince everybody to accept this nonsense. It doesn't work that way. Only people that you are feeding learn how to know that you're a human being. You are not God. You can never be God. God may use you. That doesn't mean you're a God. The same thing the US are trying to do. Mazakano made you through God, through the grace to make you. Your name is out there because of him. So you trying to overshadow him is just like Ijin Kate Kulumere. That's what it means. You can overshadow him. How can you do that? Are you okay? If him cannot even overshadow himself. Some of them think that this time Mazakan want to broadcast, he pray. You don't know why he do pray. You don't understand. How many more if go jacka with you? It's more iju kwado no will tapotanama. That is that why I got woman and got to from home William. Oh, yet in nature. The one they gave you, recognize it and utilize it. You can ask the God who gave you to increase it. But for you to use that to your gift to shine to begin to envy another person is just a waste of time. Your what belong to you belong to you. Let us keep on, see, as we are waiting for recognition and opening our eyes to see things unfolding, always condition your mind to learn new things that's going to help you, even your own individual lives. For example, DPM today, she has what it takes to do total gaga, like to undermine the plan and pattern that which PM actually wanted. Many of you know, like I do know, that she's calm, not because she cannot sue people and drag people. Fully, she have what it takes to do that. Financially, everything, she has it. But she always look back and check what will Roberto be say. The only person that will call you say Roberto, it comes from her heart, DPM. When you prove them, when you prove this to them, they will tell you not just to join, no, they can join yesterday. I honestly people need to you need to go back to drawing board. Examine yourself before examining another person. Oh, fire and people. I was ranting on Adocho's platform. Oh no, Nangozi, no, clinic, clinic, it's again above. Nina gave you this room matter feeding button and nursery school does not mean that she do the same thing. Your job is to feed children during their break time, to make sure that get the whole it does offer. I'm not against that. It's okay. At least you are doing something right. It's good. But do not compare yourself with someone that is better than you. That's where I have problem. Quit on okay. But as long as you in a fair risk, you are hurting yourself, my dear. You are just hurting yourself. And on and then you be before you get you away, catch your loss. Chineke the DPM, TPM, I cannot be. In case if you don't know, the same way Chineke gets to DPM, TM mass, no, cannot be. Makona fife game menilu kwado ye gife then I guess na mmiri azoche na ọ ga-agbacha then kedebe ga na ọgbacha today. Oh, we are non ESN from BLA, we are non ESN, as if you cannot support Mazamokano without pronouncing ESN. You can support Mazamokano. ESN and BLA is just like Brigi and USB. Let me explain to you. ESN and BLA, resistant fighters, they are just like when you say autopilot, Brigi to USB. Manando somebody that don't like you, no matter what you do. No matter what you say, this person don't like you, right? Just all you need to know that the level of love this person has for you. Your love on me, your percentage of love that you have for me is actually 15%. So I should not bring a gift that I made for people who love me 80-90% and give you. I'm not gonna do that. I'm sorry, I'm not essential. Yes, now I'm a human being, yes. So you have to wait. If you are looking for your love on me is just 15%. I should the gift that I prepare for people who love me 90%, I should not hand it over to you. Then get a camera. How can I differentiate you with people who actually love me genuinely? When they said they don't want to work with USB, what happened? Did anybody force anybody? Have you seen DPM insulting them? Did you hear that? She moved her head. That is what intelligent and smart people do. It comes with the full package. Your composure, your coordination, everything, it goes. DPM is actually registered and licensed in that. Not those jumping from pillar to pole. You don't even know when you left autopilot. You don't know why you moved to brake. You don't know. You don't know. You don't ask yourself why. Why brake? Why not autopilot and stand there? Autopilot. Let's all look for recognition. You think that people don't know how to hire lobbyists from autopilot? That's the way he moved it to brake. That's the way he moved it to USB. Man, he suit. They check you why would the edge account na land will make sense. You are not if this is my major. A good and just code copying PM. PM always just code, just his suit. When this is who he is. He can see that is his own body language. It happens in Minnesota. Minnesota na camera. What we do in Washington DC? Fight the Biafran fight. Fight the Biafran fight. How long are you going to copy? How long? Uchechi with her own little cockroach mindset actually think that speaking, when each time she talks, she actually think that we are maybe British police. She's reporting to us and telling us what she wants. So we cannot join her, say 20 kilometers away from the building. That's what she wants. We are not British police. You can only command Mazamanaka, we end in that second. What you know there, we don't know it. And I'm more kind of able to read. They play. We are not British police. Maybe you ask for it, wait until they will call. Maybe they gave you maybe emergency number that they will call. Each time you know you man or the kind of give for you need to know your boundary and your level. I know my wife. You are not close to me. I don't know who you are. Genuinely not an answer, but that's what it is. So you know what to master can again I can name it. Holy there. All happen to warrior now, but what to I can't again. But the truth of the matter is that the master kind of remains. Do you know, I told them, even if you bring video, I'm not saying picture, where Master Makani is doing a walk and call with multiple women, he is still my leader. Do you understand it? Can I say that to you? Can anybody come out and say the same thing to you, even your own siblings? Oh, that is what we mean by love. What we mean by sincerity. What we mean by once you are dedicated and you are diligent, this kind of love will flow. You don't force it. Somebody man can marry if I know I didn't make good education. I'm not can marry if I didn't make wisdom. I didn't make good education or certificate. I'm talking about wisdom from God. I come again. I come again. I for you can am. For you come am. For you come I know. Na my brother I'm come. But my brother, my sister, like I'm Jim before but on them. I can do it because it's my choice. At the end of the day, you don't force yourself on anybody. God run the trial, they failed woefully. Once you activate your Twitter space, you just put a blue tick. All of a sudden, you are now a superstar. And therefore, you cannot post something, everybody go viral. Listening, watching people who are not, you don't even add your face. Nobody know your voice. Emeka give examples. These are observers. These are people telling you that Google will soon be recognizing Emeka as a founder of IPOB. Careful how myopic this people can think. So you actually think that Google telling us or telling people like you paid for it anyway. So the algorithm will push it for you. That's your money. But in the homeland, who registered the IPB? If you like it, even before CNN start their breaking news, they will flash that worldwide news or world news or breaking news. Before they float that image, they will bring a message together with the SDOS and flash it. If you want, let them be doing it every now and then. If you like, go to Sky and print it. In practical terms, KDOA register IPOB. Can you use this your registration and commanding Anambra to sit at home? Now, can be political and natural. Can you need the lockdown for 1 week? I swear, even my grandpa took no gapotana. Now, woman, can I get this big idea? No, that is the grace. I did here in a shop right. You know, if you buy them there, on the wood, you check out. Do you understand? He worked for it. You can't do that. How many of you can stay in a camp? I'm not talking about DSS. Local police, the police station, not the closest one close to your father's house. Go and check the closest police station close to your father's house. Can you stay in counter there for 48 hours? You will not. For Biafra, you will not. You will not. You can like you somebody go where I'm going to guy there. And if you go down on the think I'm not much. And I could Uchechi. And I quit this one of that because you don't know anything. You should have known that this respect that they're giving to you now is actually because of mass Namodican. It's actually because of mass Namodican, nothing more. Why
aren't you people upset about that? You see how unconscious you all are? You see how unconscious you are?
As I think and there, Uncle Jerry, I greet you. I greet all of you. I'm just in your comment now.
You are very unconscious. Some of the reasons Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was sentenced was Simon Ekpa's atrocities. So all of you who were supporting him and now around Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, you are all evil. You are all evil and you must desist from hanging around Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Now,
wait, why not good? Okay, Bishop Comfort, that's her name. That woman need help mentally. She need help. Wait, that is. Hey, I get a phone na video of Ogen yesterday. I'm not going to the video. I'm not yesterday anywhere. Now, hi, why I suppose in the model. Oge, like my grandmother, her age, you know. But there's no gain in stealing. There's no gain in forgery. Gaga kwa n'ifi na-ewero gati n'aka n'ifi na-ewero enekwana n'ife mmadụ ka gbaa mbọ nke gị ọ advice ndị oke dịkịta na-enyewe na oge enuba n'ọsa bọs kịta na n'ọsa na ya choose akwa arụ n'ọkụ before taa oge ochie ọsa na aga ọrụ gaa na nkwụ na ụzọ ya na-atara ụwa ya akụ direct from nkụ ka kịta ọsa sụrụgo mmadụ achọ ya tinye mkpụrụ akụ n'ọkụ I left for a master prophet. I left for please, those of you that know the woman, you need to each time you want. Maybe I will record her so you see. Old lady that's supposed to give her advice. It doesn't get her not to if he sense. You don't even need to call people in the cabinet to know the criminality of Ogenkere. You don't need to. Forget about Biafra. Just ask yourself. If Ogenkere may get at your own father's house, you get the winner. I don't know if you have siblings. Those of us that have siblings, you understand what I'm talking about. Maybe okay, maybe why. Imagine that your father, Branan, Kelan, maybe neighbor able Toda. Or yeah, Toda can fourth other. I don't know why and I received a gift favor from your father. All of a sudden, put hands, look everything, change the document, everything. What will you do? Or similar thing go get in the for now. Even though no book Ada Go just to no, the this. Enough time to do this, and I'm not supposed to see online. When they reverse, that cat in music is not going to matter. Okay, but no, if you make them go more, we come down, you don't support it. That's no gain. Bishop Comfort and I go Bible, a bishop where life experience not at her age. My hand no damn. And okay, put up. You will think it's about that. Maybe now. I could remember that time. My father called my brother said, "Okay, but I know Christmas and or gagi or ya bife or the power if he now quite eager but my brother said yes, so soon as I poured again. Soon as I poured again, table all everything my brother drew about. Open or game really approve for problem. That is the parent for you. That is the parent for you. So he was that kind of parent. He man go away, my can if you want nigga, he get GH. He see that way to he get GH, whether you like it or not. That's training. Man, and then cabo. Oya they put also no kotoko, you know, no master prophet, no kotoko, you know. Man is joke.
There is the speculation that
The goddess, I see you.
I'm seeing here. Hey. I will not say much on that now. Like I said, this is not the right time for all of this. This is the time for us to sit together.
Again, on my land.
And walk in the path of achieving our goals.
Okay.
If you're saying no on this side and you're saying no on that side, so what should happen then? What should happen? We must secure what we're doing. The DOS has nothing against, I will continue to say that. Has nothing against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. But like I said, this movement must be protected because this is the backbone of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu.
Madam, Keka DOS is the backbone of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Upon after my anger with this idiot, after my anger with this woman, how is DOS the backbone of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? What have they done so far? Since age with the Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, Geneka DOS megolo madam. Geneka ha megolo hana ajago otune. Geni ozo hana enyego £5,000 ko euro. Geni ozo kwa. Kedi ihe DOS megolo for the past 5 years age Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. How are they the backbone of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, bitch? How are they the backbone of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? Anu ofia wan ajo wanye akuni ike wanye jopuru afo wanye jolo njojo biana ina hewonu ko ho atoro wanye jo wasilana. How is DOS backbone of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? How? Keka hasi webo backbone of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu anu ofia chere na ekwu I'm here me mega alota.
This is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's backbone. Now, let me tell you something.
You don't even see any feeling like she don't feel and the master of Ghana not or to get come to go and keep for herself. Now wow.
Write this down. At the right time, I will explain it better. That Simon Ekpa did a voice note to apologize to me.
In your wildest dream.
And the voice note has been, I mean, they've asked him to keep it and not to release it yet. All you people that wasted the lives of our people, killed our people, maimed our people. Some of you turned to what is it called? Cannibals, eating humans. When did we become people who do not preserve lives?
In our preserve life, where to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. In our preserve life, where to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu Nilo. Where till life ya into danger or not to the anofia. In our preserve life, Akunike. Akuna Koromoto. In our preserve life, where Mazi Nnamdi Kanu na problem or not today. Or what you can continue because as in you have come out fully for this game. If I go for this game, he decide to go he destroy Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Makana na agwa no nwele enyi nwanyi o nwele nke o nwele nke ozo. E putazie fu ki destroy ya. But I get destroy go. Watch and see.
Those nonsense you did are the reasons those judgments were passed on Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Now the question or the $1 million question is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, or was Mazi Nnamdi Kanu aware of this? Was he working with Samuel Ekpa? Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has said no several times, and I asked him, he said no. He said no. So it is the unconsciousness of how you people will commit atrocity. Someone will cause chaos and create confusion, and the person just goes scot-free, just sits and carries on like
Mechi Puano. I wasn't out on a radio. Stop it, on a broadcast. Gente, ihe abuhonu wanine makisi okwoku. Wanine makuposi seduzumu. Gente, kamgwa kamjora. Bia France mojogo. How many times have you gone to see your husband? Koromoto, how many times? Your husband. How is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu your husband? Keko si we noge. Kedi ka Mazi Nnamdi Kanu si we buru digu madam. How many times ki je go je fu diga na apugi no ono? In echo of all the whole women, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu we choose one of ya de kage. I we si no ke ta isie simply because nefo that's not the word ne respect here. Abatana house that's it na yake na social media when he has spoken. How many times have you gone to see Mazi Nnamdi Kanu beach onya asiri enyi chinasa nworu chinasa buzonye na agwago all and all chike dozie mbuzi dina
remedies the right not this on for nke confirm Maria. Because that's not na Chinasa Wolu bo aguneche HM oya kora ko Chinasa Wolu no aguneche. Let me just say am na eche mbada. O de gwa na ko ku that here bokwa ke.
No get now. How na ekwu nke na anu. Digu bu a nobody to you. I am that he's a nobody to you, but I get megalo. Share this video.
Nothing is happening while the people who are trying to put these things in place suffer the consequences. It has to stop. It has to stop. You all better come together. If you have something you need to do, you go and do it. You come together. But you see this confusion you all want to cause? Nigerian government is laughing. They are happy for...
Come on, Nigerian government go makana mano. Gene chupu digu na UK. Gene melogo na Mazi Nnamdi Kanu before Bobo Sunday. Ina abia sina na Nigerian government na mu chuku kokwa oko. Gene ka gene Mazi Nnamdi Kanu jere. Gini meliji tosia kede be chujelie oji wempo life ya din danger na ma kigari up and down na track you up gini meliji chupia why did you send Mazi Nnamdi Kanu away from the house iji gini chupia oji we na ba Kenya by as in by road gini meliji we chupu Mazi Nnamdi Kanu o we gbagide kpoba nwanne enweke akwa in this life when he dey ka nwanne. Blood is thicker than water. This man, this Jezebel. Chupulo onye ndu our leader. Chupia ti life yana danger. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu na hangigali. Odo ya anya that nanda ga-egbuye. Okpowazie nwanne nwoke bụ Kanu nta. Okpowazie ya kpowa si abia na mmiri na achụ irie. Nyanekwe Kanu nta si Germany gbakwi Mazi Nnamdi Kanu na as in na UK. Esi ebe aha gadalo land ya na Ethiopia. From that Ethiopia we weluzie by car. When our Kenya, this man, one your jaw, Achalugo do chupu Mazi Nnamdi Kanu chupi out of the house. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was homeless for days. He was hanging around the leader of indigenous people of Biafra. Kanu mana the opportunity bunye when they misuse it. Where as in where they useless. Oputakita no wane tell anyi okude na Nigerian government na amuchie na ake amu. This anu mano, this anu ofia. Makana ina keep quiet all this one. She doesn't want to respect herself. This woman boye tilo onye nduna problem or not today. Ebuchago Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Iho no kale no that na Mazi Nnamdi Kanu anwugo. Onwanya cause the problem Mazi Nnamdi Kanu no n'ime today. No na anu wanyi. Obu na onye ndu anu idiot a. Onye ndu ka that's maybe by na anya aka ni nwete Biafra. Nwanya so ni ihe cause problem onye ndu na face today. O chupu onye ndu from the house. Chupu ya. Oputakita nwa na akpolo anyi die. Ina akpo Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. How is he your husband? How? Share our video, share this video for me.
Your shamelessness and for your greed that you are allowing to push you into the path you should not go. I want history to remember me for integrity. That what I say today,
come on, shut up. History get remember get be chari do bidigamu. Keka history get here remember ge. Ebi do do ludigu na mu choke do bia ya. Keka history get here remember ge as the first woman do bidigamu. How? Keta history gets here remember go madam. How is history going to remember you? Nena fight it again now what the good tie. Keta history gets here remember ge. How? Man.
Even in the next 30 years to come, I will continue to say it.
I don't know funny why even Namuna Bogo that why not more that you need to read your man. Why na my idea can look like that in our other, that's the worst thing working in no experience. Worst thing you get why gay in a got testing or job away. And all man my wife do let me not go there because I don't know her parents. Other is a very bad thing. And I actually she want to be remembered. Achalugo what if I can remember good. Why not one of one oh Mazi can after bana ebe on the oil before they go to me. He don't deserve you. No.
My words do not change. My beliefs do not change. My principles do not change because of who stands in front of me.
Yeah, exactly.
These are what we call core values.
The
impact of this behavior distracts us from our strategic goals. Every successful movement must focus on long-term objectives. This behavior undermines trust. When fake accounts, misinformations, factual disputes become widespread, trust begins to erode. What I want to say today is that we must stand for unity. Every single person in this very movement, IPOB, led by Mazi Nnamdi Kanu.
But why is it that everybody, most of the people that are calling for this unity, most of them are, and they are actually an instrument of this unity. Like, I do not call names, please, but most of the people that are championing this unity, they themselves are actually an instrument of this unity. Why? How can you unite by, if I want to champion that unity, like this is that I want to start talking about unity now. I will not talk bad or expose, I will not even talk bad, I will not expose lies of Ogeke anymore. That's what unity will give you. I will not say this thing, the truth about what Ogeke is doing. I will stop it. Because once you say the truth, they will consider it as that you are against them. And there's no way they will listen to you. They're not going to listen to you. Look at the Mazi. And then count them up and get the official. And get the good even they would have come under with the instrument of this unity. Imam Madam, for example, calling for unity. How? Where? You can never be an instrument of disunity and be talking about unity. You have to drop it. You got to drop disunity first, then unity will now come.
Yeah.
As led under the leadership of Mazi by the DOS.
Let me repeat it again. Let me repeat it again.
Road. What I want to say today is that we must stand for unity. Every single person in this very movement, IPOB, led by Mazi Nnamdi, as led under the leadership of Mazi by the DOS.
Inania. Under the leadership of Chike Doziem, who is Chike Doziem? Ojo eniana ha yikudate na aha. Asi ha hekune. Opuna afune. Ihem chole egwu no tata bụ no fu nwanyi enwe nsopro for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. This woman bụ the reason why Mazi Nnamdi Kanu ji weda ba na aka as in aka ndi ilo today. Juolo no nwanyi how many times ko je go jefu die Mazi Nnamdi Kanu na claim no die. How many times ko je go visit Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? She never, as in, aga agutu ugboro n'enu o jere that place je visit ya Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Ngwa John ya ka olule ebe ahụ kedu ka Mazi Nnamdi Kanu si atụpụli ọnụ ke kanya na esi anọ ke kanya na esi ekwu nwaanyị onu fule ebe a the evil. Uchechi, let me now talk to you. Isi na itala akwụkwọ no ka ezegede. Who are you? Uchechi, ke your mission inside Kanu family? Ke your mission in the life of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? Gene bu your mission, madam?
Okay, what is that?
Kedi ihe as in ke ihe ji we zije go that place. Gene bu your mission. Kedi ihe bu no be we na eme go yourself. All the whole enemies of your husband be your best friend. All the people that against your husband. How can people call you digas against you na anya gị na ha na eriko na anụkọ? Madam, who are you? Inwe ike pụta bịa gwa anyị onye bụ. Stop hiding under the umbrella of nwunye Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Asikwa asiro. Bịa gwa anyị who you are. Ibo onye. Kedu onye bụ kedu your motive in the life of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? Gịnị ka ị na-eme? Ụmụnne Mazi Nnamdi Kanu take enu note. Kwụsịnụ nwaanyị ije n'akụkụ Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Onye abụ a pure enemy. One of this woman, Uchechi Anyanwụ, nwaanyị abụ a pure enemy to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Onye emi nụrụ well for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu anywhere. This woman no na afu na eni anya ofuma ocho de ma that na die no na aka ndi ilo ihe odazi ihe so the enemies ekwubu na Mazi Nnamdi Kanu compromise go welu chazie ka oputa no compromise ana because of his freedom. Distance ya no nwanya from one no nweke nwanyi emi nu well for onye ndu. This woman is evil. Onye abe ekwensu afula anya. Nwanya na ego si ekwu relax ya dey happy the bold na anala ego na eri. Me play by her say, did we know how she was struggling to take care of her son? Ofumpuru nwa ka ọ na struggle. Isi na Mazi Nnamdi Kanu nuta nwaanyị. Onye abro mmado. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu anuta nwaanyị atọ. This woman bụ a coward. That's onye hapụrụ onye anuno hapụrụ atụrụ. Onye hapụrụ nwaanyị hotu anuno atụrụ ka ọ kwụrụ ọtọ hapụ onye ofu mkpụrụ mmada onye aba agafu dị na nwaanyị unu mana nwaanyị gba agafu ma na alụ emego nwoke ga-agbacha agafu nata mana nwaanyị gba agafu problem adigo ifune ekosi ekwu ụmụ morons otu a ka o si eme onye a na stage from morning kogudo onye ndu ọnụ na anwe ọla aka nni aka ekpe maka na UK ebe ọ nọ onye ndu nwa ya nwa meti aka ma ọ bụ saa ya okwu ọkpọ police onye efuru and all my very well the condition of onye ndu what Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is standing for nwaanyị abụ odazi alụ melu Mazi Nnamdi Kanu na mụ na gị na abụ not today na ata ofu because of ojiji eji onye ndu this Chekele Kanu na screamer she is the problem ya bụ the cause of everything. Oputo na edobela anyị ahụ na relax na-eme nka na-eme nke ọzọ ọ na-akpọ Simon ekpa afa Chineke kpọkwa agha ọkụ anụ ọfịa nwụrụ anwụ ị na-akpọ Simon gị ka Simon mee gị Simon ekpa omego gịnị anụmanụ gịnị ka Simon melugo onye oshi akwụna ike koromoto onya because of ka iwe nwee efe kwugharịba nya ka iji wee lalụ digunye n'aka ndị ilo nye ha information se ebe onye ndu nọ ebe ọ bụ na onye ndu nọ dazi nye ha information ebe ọ nọ ị na-akpọ ya that na ịbụ wife ọgwacha gị iburu call enemy wee kpala onye ndu aka relax ya bịa ịgba akwụna ejidego digu you are now free to koromoto idigo free kwali nwanyi nkwali na ato azin nkwali na echu ụla isonwuro nsọ digi ina anwa digi aka nni aka ekpe digu mesie up idode idodazi idobihie ebe a idode na akwa na adoriko akwa oyi na ahụ a leader, the leader, as in everybody na bow. Ijidie na akpali na humiliate enere anya omulugo funwa maybe na gone anoko na imego nke ame nke ọzọ kita no look at it now. Look at it kita no wa. Look at it now. Ne the condition of onye ndu e put outside na paint onwe go white. Na the whiter than white na ebu as in the responsible. E chọghị pụta kọlụ ụmụ wi ihe imelu Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Uchechi anyanwụ pụta kọlụ ụmụ ụwa ihe imelu Mazi Nnamdi Kanu our leader. Bịa gwa anyị. We want to hear from you. Kedu ihe imegodo chụpụ Mazi Nnamdi Kanu from the house? Gịnị imeli ji chụpụ onye ndu? E chụpụrụ Mazi Nnamdi Kanu ka gịnị wee mee? Kedu ebe ichujelie? Kedu nwoke gwa agụ chụpụ digu ka ọnụba gị? Onye ahụ gwa agụ chụpụ digu ọnụọ na gị? Uchechi, the man gwa agụ chụpụ digi gumeka azen golalu digu nye n'aka ndị ilo na aga ego ahụ enyelu gị the marriage anụrụ gị o nwere ọnụnụ anụrụ gị na na-emegbu be ma why na agaghị emegbu gị with this your evil character onwe onye gị na wee surube Kanu Mazi Nnamdi Kanu adịghị gị mma mpia problem ụmụnne nsogbu are you not the problem bitch? Are you not the problem anụ mana anụ mpama? Are you not the problem nwaanyị ọjọọ? Alu melu Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Alu melu Mazi Nnamdi Kanu akpọ ya nwaanyị. Are you not are you not the bad person here? Ituturu Mazi Nnamdi Kanu na destroy ya. Iputakwana na okwuchago okwu. The anụmanụ your husband dị nyelu as in chuturu from the power. Tisi and ofu iputa na create problem, na create confusion, na deceive people that doesn't know what is going on in IPOB. It has in her confusion nisi aputa say na nwunye enwe Mazi Nnamdi Kanu na eso Chike Doziem for that reason cancel Chike Doziem. See, let me tell you people, Biafrans, everybody should ignore this woman. Nwanyị na Mazi Nnamdi Kanu akwurozi. Nwanyị abu enemy to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. She's the enemy to the struggle. She's enemy to the movement. Nya sobe Chike Doziem buzi dinanu ya. Maka na na-enye 5,000 pounds every month. Makana Chike Doziem na-enye ego. Join your relationship here with Chike Doziem. Oji akwu ugwo every month. 5,000 pounds Chike Doziem na-enye nwanyị. Join nwanyị ego ihe ọbụ. Join ego ihe ọbụ. O so eli ego eletelu na dazi eletelu na ebe die na. O so eli ego eji ile die. Nwanyị a so eli because of lover of money. When you see her saying leadership under Chike Doziem, all that 5,000 pounds as in is speaking from her. All that money they speak inside her. The money ana akwu na speak. So iputa na asina that's na nwunye Mazi Nnamdi Kanu no so Chike Doziem for that reason na ebe okwu ka ị ga-akwu. You are deceiving yourself. Onye a esozi anywhere. This woman Mazi Nnamdi Kanu amazi onye obu. She don't know Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu don't know her because she know what she committed. Happy here flow na efegale na social media. Onwe he nete na ana agwe onye aselu na enu mmiri onye abu the main enemy onye a na work with the enemies onye achọrọ igbu Mazi Nnamdi Kanu egbu ilekekwa na-eso ebe ọbụla ọkwa ijekwulu na oso Chike Doziem kwulu ka ijekwulu na ihe ọ na-ezuzu na-ese pictures with the people na tarnish the image of her husband. Kedu ihe nwaanyị nwelu to do with her husband's enemy? People who are who are talking down on her husband. Ojo na-ese picture with them. See na ọ na-eje protest gathering with them. Why are you going there? In Ejekwu ha to encourage them to insult your husband the more. Ki Ejekwu ha ka gini wee me? What is her motive? Join her problem. Join her plans of working with her husband's enemy. Onu fi ihe Chike Doziem neme online recently. Onu fi ihe neme. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu chuturi na power tisi ndị ọzọ. Oputasiunu na omego Mazi Nnamdi Kanu expel. Na ochupu get from Ibu leader of IPOB. Na office of director na Radio Biafra na destroy ge. Na dozi valid. This woman continue of anything wrong in what Chike Doziem said or continue to follow Chike Doziem.
Oh, well, God, that is the shocking part of the whole thing. Oh, well, if you insult Chike Doziem or Agunechembiana, she will have something to say. Oh, those of you insulting the structure of this arrow. About the all Ghana call you just to make sure that no defend the US. I begin to wonder that Nifo they made us in because of fake goal. I have begun to wonder that because Ghana here. Afutu be modo wa idona. Equal or the lazy, you are not wrong. I'm just saying. But this woman, all the card, go. More different culture, and the chocolate they are the worst part. She don't even care. Whatever must be, must be. Onaga ka obogo. But why do my why do bam. I like one of the
Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. This woman is not Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's wife. The earlier you understand this, better for you. That's only plan. This woman we her name. If you want to chekeleke my her name Dolianya. Up to enemies of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Now call her things. Now throw her say Mankebezoku Mankabrezoku. Joan Wani Hona Kolu Chinasa. Ona joy Chinasa na Kolia. Ke her relationship with Chinasa Woru. Chinasa sin oge Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Joan Wani Hona with a man that said that he is going to kill Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Or Chinasa Woru Mazi Nnamdi Kanu or Wanya Napube. O Mazi Nnamdi Kanu or Uchechi Bikonu. Get their plans. Una actually do one question. Ipotane melumu ebe wunyama. Can't you see? Na wunyama is Nnamdi Kanu follow her. Onye gwago no wunyama. Onye gwago no nyendu na nuonya. Onye gwago that's no nyendu kana anu this woman. Who told you? Onye kedebe si we no that's no nyendu kana anu wanya. You push you continue reporting my page. But the truth of the whole matter is that na Uchechi Anyanwu, you are a Koromoto woman. You are a useless person. That's the way he game. Ibu a useless woman. You are a coward. Whosoever reporting my page on week gabunkege. Ega 1 week. Onye obuna na report to page ya. On week ga dakwasage. E wan fi ho manandoge. Ega akwa aka tielo okuko ake. Ega akwocha aka tielo okuko aki. Obodo obuna ebe na ega agba aka nata die. Obodo obuna ebe pụrụ iji ịchụ ego ị ga-agwa aka si obodo ahụ nata for reporting this page, for reporting the truth, because I stand for truth. I form the reason why nweke ga-eji wee buru dazi wele ego na afụrụ anya pụọ jeje as in jenuta nwaanyị o wee budara that na nwaanyị ọnụta bụ problem to him. Ojide Mazi Nnamdi Kanu chụpụ ya na the streets ọ na-anwụnya nwụọ this heartless thing, this chekeleke, this will do that, this will do that. This will do don't here or chupu our leader. Chupi outside and ask that we need to come together. Chuku pokwa oko. Ikomuru na together. Abuni with spirit of forgiving. Why did you send Mazi Nnamdi Kanu away? Why are you tormenting Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? Why did you not torment Onyendu?
A very good question.
Uzunguran bastard. Chuku pokwa oko. Bia kola anyi ihe gburu nne gi. Uchechi Anyanwu bia kola umu wa ihe gburu nne gi anu ofia. Ina kwogile na social media ichana anya maro gi ichana anya ma who you are. You think we don't know your secrets? Ichana anya maro bia kola anyi ihe go na ndị enemies of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu na-eje bia gwa anyi ihe go na ha na-eje ihe go na ha na-egiri Koromoto ukwu nnu nwanyi ukwu nnu ina akọ akụkọ Mazi. Is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu not better than you? Is he not better than you? Ukwu nnu woman ono na di achodi ukwu nnu. Ikpuru Mazi Nnamdi Kanu on every time. Okuche okwe potakwueria, who are you? And you're running away better than IPOB. Did we hear your voice and join the movement? Alon Awage. Onye nulonu go better na this Ihan struggle. Did we hear your voice? Ozungulan Koromoto woman, a shameless lazy fool, lazy bone. Now quarrel, now quarrike, now quarrel everywhere. Ega heje chalolo luakwa UK keno. Gene stop logo from Elo, madam. Madam, why can't you go and walk? Echiriga aka n'ilo ịdalụ ngwọrọ surgery gịnị ka ị na-eme onwe ihe na-eme gị onwe ihe na-ezuzu gị that you cannot go and look for work. What stops you from working anụmanụ ị na-aba uru Chike gịnị jikọlụ go na Chika nwaanyị nọ na di ọ na-eme enyi with nweke a married woman o kwesịrị na-keep male friends gịnị ka go na nweke na-akọ nweke gịnị ọ bụ dị na nweke no a man be enemy to your husband gịnị ka go na ya na-akọ gịnị jikọlụ go na Chike doziem gịnị foto ka go na Chinasa Nworu why nweke na nwaanyị ọ na-eme oyi nweke na nwaanyị ọ na-akpọ oyi ifunu ga ebe nwaanyị na nweke be enyi ị na-eme gịnị married woman isolu a man na-eme enyi and digu nọ na prison madam gwa anyị ihe ị na-alụ madam bịa kọwala anyị ihe ị na-alụ gịnị bụ ọlụ gị kedu ihe na alụ madam ina abia gwa you okwu peace na social media ala na agba gị ina awu ya ala. Do you look like that's a peace? That's when peace inside you. Where to put our leader? Where to put your husband in the street of UK? On a life, you are in danger. Your husband, where's he from? As in, where's he from Ethiopia? Jili Noka, where Gaba Kenya? When peace inside you, when this kind of hearts, when they leak, your husband swear about to the enemy. All these things who is giving it to them? Nneka Chimezi opotalo because okwezigedi. Nneka Chimezi opotalo ebe ka ono. Nneka putakwa nukwuo. Nneka Chimezi putakwa no bia nya ono. Putakwa bia kwuo. Kwetie nego mgbada nwula anwu n'isi. Isi ga epene mpena. Putakwa bia kwuo. Nneka Chimezi puta bia kwuo okwu again. Ikpoputalo Nneka Chimezi ka o tarnish the image of your husband onwu ga-egbu gi. Ị ga hafu ihe ọma gụpụ nwaanyị. Ọ ga ha dịrị gị na mma. Ị ga-atagide afọ dịka afọ. You will never see good in your life. You wait to throw Mazi Nnamdi can chalk destroy ya. Can Nigerian government buo ya? Ki we nwe fe gba akwuna. Onye jiga agba na akwuna madam. You are free to go and do your akwuna. Yes, jebe. Onwe ihe onye ndu jiga eme. Je gba alo nwa ga akwuna. Happy the life of Mazi Nnamdi kan aka ka o melu we. Happy aka o bili ndu ya. Happy aka o choro nwanyi o ga agwa nwa okwu nwanyi ga respect nwe. Nwanyi ga no wonder him. Allow him to do his thing. Happy Mazi Nnamdi kan ko okulu ume madam. Happy Mazi Nnamdi Kanu go nwe rest. Egburu n'anya our leader na ihe ọ ga-alụrụ anyị ka nko madam. Madam go your way. Happy our leader ka o ku ume. Happy Mazi Nnamdi Kanu ka o biri ndụ ya. Leave him. Biafra struggle alone is stressing him. He cannot afford to keep it as in a Delilah Dekaga as a wife. You are stressing our leader. You are overstressing him. Gene ke mulia ofunwa. Gene as in gene ki menwula achieve. Gene ki na-eme madam. Allow our leader go birindia. Happy ya ka ga your way. Allow him to be. Happy ya ka happy with it. You were not there when he formed DOS. You wasn't there when he formed the IPOB. Go your way, madam. Stop telling us onye nwe IPOB and onye na-enwere. Shut up your mouth and go and keep quiet. No one ka ebo ni nwe limit. Go and sit down. Nwanyi onu ugba. Must you say everything? Who told you that Smabo Mazi Nnamdi Kanu nwe IPOB? Onnagu nwe ka onnegu nwe. Onye nwe IPOB. Inwekwa shame. Inwekwala ụjọ. Ụjọ na-atụkwa gị. Chukwu agba anaghị ọkọkwa. Agwa nga hazicha gị today. Anyị ga-ebogu ji. Bogede. A ga-ebo gị afọ. Ịtụtụrụ Mazi Nnamdi Kanu chọọ ka egbuo. Ụjọ daazị obi emeghalịghị gị. Obi emeghalịghị gị. Where is the love is in wele ebe digu no? You put your husband upon you as a nat or binoyi every night and day. A man no dey like that. The world do not respect. Ethiopia konwo na the street of UK. Ethiopia our leader. Ethiopia our leader without our consent, without our leader na ata final alola. Our leader na go through a lot. Our leader now got through hell. That's it. It's all Mazi Nnamdi Kanu nwo ka Biafra struggle nwo. Abu na zoo government kwugo. Ego ha kwugo jeli be hapu onye ndu. Hapu Mazi Nnamdi Kanu.
Joseph, who are you referring to? I don't understand your comment. I not to understand your comment.
Akagabalo onwe gi. You want any of all these criminals in a follow. Go and get married to them. Go to them. As in kahafu keni he onye ndu nafu. Jekuha hapo Mazi Nnamdi Kanu aka ni mezuone. Madam Delilah, hapo Mazi Nnamdi Kanu aka ni mezugo. Hapo Mazi Nnamdi Kanu aka. Kwakolu ngwongwo sinebo no polia. Happy aka nina na in a danger his life. Obu onye kwuo ya ochaga. What's the meaning of this? He recruits an old woman. Call your history gonna digu. Call your kadigu si wefoge. Call your digu jikweburu humanizer. Call onwe ihe ni kwuru ekwu n'ọnụ. Nwaanyị pụtazi ọ na-elewasi ọnụ. E call your otu Mazi Nnamdi Kanu si we di na nwa 18 years. Chukwu gbara ọkụ. Nneka Chimezie bụ your mother-in-law. Maọbụ no your sister-in-law ị ga-akọsara ihe digu megi. Who is Nneka Chimezie? He get you watching Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's life je chinye. E na atupodo Mazi Nnamdi Kanu asi n'enu ye. Anu manu nwụrụ anwụ. Ọ bụ na Mazi Nnamdi Kanu nwụrụ epute ebe a na-emere anyị taz ewere okpiri kugbuo ogu ka agwọ. Anyị ewere okpiri kugbuo oge enwụọ pee. Share this video. Somebody should pin down my number. Somebody type on my WhatsApp number here. Let me pin it down. I will need my WhatsApp number, but tell me in the comment section.
Okay, let's hear Chimeze. Okay, because him I came by five and I don't maybe let's go. Let's listen to Chimeze. Kamali Foko. Let's go there. Please like the video, okay? In case if you are just joining us. Okay, listen.
Igbo ekelekwa m unu ọlọlọ Nneka Chimezie na-ekwu. Anyị na-ewetakwara unu ọnọdụ Igbo. Ihe m chọrọ ikwu n'ụtụtụ awụ maka ọnọdụ anyị na Nigeria now. Ile anya ugbu a now. O teele m tiwere mkpu ihe a na enwere civil war. And that civil war anyị na-alụ ya. I want somebody men na akpa nkata yesterday. Ya sị m na ụmụ ya na-aga under believe na ha wụ ndị kwechiri na ụmụ ya ga-ala school na South East. Anya m ya one advice. Advice m nyere onye ahụ wụ nwanne. Zọwagodi isi onwe gị na zọwa isi onwe ụmụ gị. Maka na enwere ndị mgbe insecurity a wepụrụ anyị from 2021 to 2024. Enwere ndị nọ na social media na-akọ ma nke ha ma nke ha na-ama ha. Ha alawa South East ihe ahụ rie isi ha. Ya rie isi ha. Unknown to them, ha nwakwadokwara ihe ahụ riri isi ha n'sef. Enwere onye bịa na na type carry na my page. What you don't know is bigger than you. Yeah, may apply. What you don't know is bigger than you. Na ekwele m si hapụga ndị mmadụ ka onye ọbụla na-ekwu uche. Onye na-enweghị ihe ọ na-ezo. Ọ bụ na enweghị ihe ị na-ezo, enweghị any skeleton in your cupboard. Ahụ m reason ị ga-eji asị ekwuru okwu maka gị.
I'll tell you something. You see, one thing about DOS, one thing about that's the SDOS, those gangsters. One thing about them is that they are not smart. I don't know how to say. You know what this man said. I just saw this. In fact, while setting this live broadcast, I saw that she have already made. She has dropped this video. She dropped 2 at a go. The same clothes, the same time. And I just downloaded the first one without even playing it or listening to that. Then I find out that she's just running around without talking what I expected. I deleted that, then I played so this one happened to be the one that I felt like I can use. Then I download it. Then I saw that Achalugo have already responded her to this one. I download that one as well. But before I saw these 2 videos, when I came back, I checked on social media like Facebook. I found out that DOS, their new recruited media now, couple of them, they have this kind of maybe I believe they are in WhatsApp group. they will say something to God talk. All of them will be saying the same thing as they go. You see that, oh, the other one said, oh, Nana, you know, I've been wondering, why is it that, you know, Mazi Nnamdi cannot even condemn Simon Ekpa? Nana, you know why Simon Ekpa, each time we are talking and complaining, Mazi Nnamdi will be busy. Simon Ekpa will be busy telling you that what you don't know is bigger than you. As they're saying it, Jovika and the group are saying the same thing. Like crazy. Jovika started his own since yesterday. What you don't know is they're trying to make it look like that thing means that I am working with someone with the Mazi Nnamdi. Nnamdi is with me. We are doing this together. These are people who they have already believed that killers, insecurity is Simon Ekpa thing. Simon Ekpa is one doing it. They have made up their mind, and they're not talking as if they want to convince you that he's the one. They have advanced it to tell you that Mazi Nnamdi is involved. How can Mazi Nnamdi be involved on something that never exists? The truth of the matter is that their principal officers actually they are aware of this insecurity. You understand what I'm saying? This woman is in Biafra land, making video, advising another person not to come to Biafra land. In her next video, you see her making video how Ndi Bobata won, ask her that we won. Uchechi might be to even trying to understand these people. Bunch of confusionists. So what I'm trying to tell you is that one of the things they told themselves to go and begin to talk now on social media is that what you don't know is bigger than you. And this is another tactic, another move they want to use to they want to use it against Mazi Nnamdi. What? Came and cause.
Anybody. Come on, enwere ihe a na-ezo a na-ekpuchi. Then ndị na-etreten mmadụ na a ga-egbu mmadụ ejiwa for what exactly ka ị ga-eji egbu mmadụ ibe gị? For what exactly? Na mmadụ kwuru okwu ka ị ga-eji egbu onye ahụ. This is going way too far. Na mmadụ wegidere iwe nke wụ na ọ pụtara kama nọ ndị a na-agbagacha egbe ọdụme ha anaghị egosi ihu ha. Pụtasị mmadụ na ya ga-egbu onye ahụ ma onye ahụ bata na South East. Na-atụsa ya n'ụwa niile. Onye a na-akpọrọ aha kwuo okwu a, onye a kwuru okwu a ga-ekwucha ihe a ga-akpọkpere shop ya, okwute ochicha na mkpụrụ na Facebook, chee nọ ka o tie mkpu ka o kwuo ka o tinye ọnụ n'okwu ka ọ ghara asa ka o tinye ụjọ. Okwuchi okwu ahụ ndị iro ndị Boko Haram awụjusi n'ala Igbo in the name of ndị amị. Onye ahụ lọta ede na onye ahụ gbuo, edereze onye ahụ gbuo, etuwe onye kwuru okwu. Otu aka some people ji ga nga n'ala Igbo ugbu a. Onye na-anya ala Igbo ọkọ ihe kwute.
Another reason why you need to understand that these guys are Confucianists is that as she say telling you now that nota ndị Boko Haram ekpochise n'ala Igbo. You go to Chinasa Woru and most of them on Facebook, they will tell you that Simon Ekpa and Mazi Nnamdi are busy. Nebu our gallant men, Nigerian police, Nigerian army. That they're our people. Then it was so wagi. Kirisi Oebu isi, no so easy. Always contradicting themselves. Always. She was saying, I can't get them at all.
No. Onye chọrọ igbu mmadụ ọ na-ekwu ya ekwu. Ị na-ediri ikwu ya ekwu. Onye nwere plan ọ na-ekwu ya ekwu. Ị na-ediri ikwu ya ekwu. Chukwu ji ekwu ndewo. Etu a ka esi egbukpọ ndị be anyị anọrọ on social media. Chere ka m jụọ nụ. Ka ezi ka anyị sizi ndị na-azọzi nnwere onwe ya for freedom na-enyezi ndị iro ha aka na-egbusi onwe ha because the threats ndị a na-etetụkwa ya akwụkwa ndị Igbo nkwesịrị all you need wọwụgoro na onye ahụ ekweteghị otu ije eme nke gị all you need wee ịgba mbọ ka ị convince enyi ya because onye ọbụla dịkwa important ị ga-eme ka ị convince onye ahụ na mba ọ dịkwaghị ụta conversation you engage in a constructive conversation but mgbe mmadụ bịa mụ onwe ya allow demand dị obsessed nke bụ na mmadụ bụ ọnụ kwuoro onwe ya okwu threaten onwe ahụ with death. So onye na-threaten with death, the point bụ na ndị nwa ndị iro anyị tụchụrụ ụmụnne anyị nke ahụbeghị m nge anybody pụtara mepe ọnụ threaten ọha ndị a na-threaten si ụwa ndị Igbo onu ha na achụsi nwere onwe no etu ekwele m ya ogbo ọka nsi eti ọ na ha akwụla na social media very soon apụtawala ha on ground wee gwada my guy ọkweso ụmụ n'ala Igbo ị ga mee God school ị nwere ihe ị na-akwado today ga-egburu ngị ụmụ gị ị nwere ihe ị na-akwado today ga-egbu gị n'ala Igbo. So many people nwụrụ foolishly like this na-akwado ihe ha na-amaghị isi na ọdị asị pụta na-ekwu okwu na-alụ ọga a na-alụ na social media ugbu a mgbe chọpụta na ala Igbo a ọ fụrụ nwa obere anyị ga-elu ozi ya because nke anyị ka ga-aha na-alụ ọgụ ya anyị nwa na-alụzi onwe anyị ọgụ. So sọsọ ihe ndị iro anyị na-ediri ime wee chọzi ndị nke ga-cooperate with them ha bụ ihe ngwa agha ọkarịghị na
ị na-ege all this nonsense iche na mmadụ na-ekwu okwu they will be the one to start it. They will start this nonsense. They will complain as if they are innocent of the same thing. Why are now what guy is going to Monica Sokoto? No get legacy them. But if I'm not a legacy, or Polo no ever go. Come on, no one among those here. No get legacy them. And she's against everybody. Although if I'm not covering any story, I'm happy with my energy. Many of you already know who she is. And they know how to deceive people very, very well. Nakwegia. What did we go? Why is it not playing?
When I want my mmiri na-eri marịrị. Yeah, with the first time in history na hụ nga mmadụ ji aka na-ekewe otu ya ke factions. In a sensitive matter like this, sensitive matter of life and death, a na-egbu ndị be anyị, a na-egbu ndị mmadụ aka na-ekewa aka kwechiri, a na-amụnye ọka n'alụ. Do you know why? Eziokwu eji mara Igbo has eluded us. Ndị Igbo ada amazi ihe wee eziokwu. Na to us, ihe wee eziokwu bụ ndị olu ha aka. Ihe anyị nwa bụ ndị Igbo, some of us na hụtazi azụ eziokwu bụ ndị olu ha aka. Ndị kara mee mkpọtụ, ndị kara meta arguments. Ịnọ nga ahụ, ịnọ nga ọ na-eme ime onye na-eme nke ọ na-eme. Na mmadụ enwezighị ike iyi ụzọ ụbụrụ ya nke Chukwu jiri kee ya reason even at his own risk. Ndị mmadụ na-erisk onwe ha na-ezuzu ha ma nwụkwa. Hey, ọ na-agba m anya mmiri. Ihe awụ mkpu m tiwere kemgbe Febụwarị. Ka ezi ka anyị ma na-azọzi nwere onwe jizi pụtazie na social media tọgodo onwe anyị aka na akpịrị. The worst part bụ these fanatics are so blinded that they can hardly reason. Even when a joke no ani tobo. And here make me Asia. What did you show to Tunde? When I didn't when a man make it here where I can do away on Asen. When I hear a cafe willing. And when you get look at all, shikaton. Gila go beg a log at a log, get like one noodle and I beg you. Church, see my strategy guy when I walk, Judna or Muna joke or Mugana joke. For once, John Wagajo. Or Muna joke or Mugana joke, we am name on a yaka. Neka. Ano mota ye wan yo ye nele. Ngai na-esi na nwere onwe wo uru. Ị na-ele ndị mmadụ mepe ọnụ na-ekwu okwu. A na-ekwu okwu na-esi isi. Ifu na okwu onye ara na-ama nkwunu. Anyị amaghị na study ala our nature. Na-enwezi ndị iro kamera nature anyị karịa anyị. Ndị iro kara ghọta anyị nwa bụ onwe anyị. Anyị aghọtachighị onwe anyị. Anyị amajikwana ihe anyị chọrọ. Ime over the years, anyị bịara chọgide ego kwa ịhụrụ ego a na-akpa akpa. Ego a achọ akpaga anyị eji etu anyị. Ha ma na ego anyị na-akpa bụ ego iberibe. Onye kpaga ego kpafuo. Elu uru ego ahụ bara nwere nwanne m nwoke kpọrọ m from obodo oyibo mere ya na-akpa nka. Msi na okwe mana ịkpatara ego too much na mana amaghị echie na ife ole because ụmụ gị ejekọ ha ịlọta ele isi ego ịkpara. Aja m obodo oyibo mgbe ọ na-ekwu na onye ọbụla na-relocate and this issue of anyị nwe complex. Ọ na-ekwu obodo oyibo. Ntị ka m gamadala n'obodo oyibo anụ ọrụ da ya. This obodo oyibo ndị Igbo anyị na-adị good at promote ndị ọzọ anyị anaghị promote onwe. Enwedị ihe ọbụla nọ n'obodo oyibo na-arụ na ọkụ na-anọ 247 iri etere ya dị ire anyị etere ekpele n'ihe otu ahụ eji te nke.
I was even expecting you to mention the country that you visited. And they told you why? Just tell us.
Oyibo. Very soon, ọkụ dị wahala ugbu a enwe ejikwa ihe nọ n'obodo oyibo. In fact, ọkụ na-adị anyị na onye ọbụla na-azụzi solar na-eti. Ị na-anụ obodo oyibo ya dị ka enwe ha ebe wụ slum, enwekwara ha slum. Mbụ ndị ọcha anụ. Obodo ọbụla na-ala ha ga obodo oyibo kpata ego ha anata bịa na-edevelop be ha. Ha dịkwa akpọm ndị China nọ n'obodo a bụ Nigeria. Ha enweghị ike ịhụ nwa ndị China maka ha ma na population. Ha nwere chọrọ ụmụ ha bịa nga mụọra gị ụmụ 1000. They are increasing your population and then increasing your economy, the development in your land. Then they decrease in here. Then I say na go obodo oyibo na-eme onye ebe echobere bolota na-eme nganga ndị n'obodo oyibo as if anyị nọ na Nigeria ya bi n'ọkụ. Then m just na-ele anya achievement ihe nwana ndị n'obodo oyibo na ma lọta nga na na ha penny n'afọ ha na-agha eze. O wee wuru na study chapter anyị fule na ihe anyị nwebụ ndị Igbo na-aghọta ha owu na ala Igbo ya anarụghị anyị ya o teele mgbe m pụtara jee mkpu population si ndị be anyị lụwakwanụ nwaanyị na mmadụ agwụla. Obi agbụwala m. Anyị amaghị na ndị ire anyị na-study anyị and ha amakwa na mmadụ agwụla. Nwa reminant ndị nke fọrọ n'ụlọ ugbu a na-aka anyị nọ na-enwetara anyị nwere onwe ha si na ya rịbata. Nwere onwe a na-enweta adịghị m against it at all. Adịghị m against IPOB at all.
100%.
Adịghị m against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu at all.
100%.
Ana m akwadokwa ndị DOS. Mana aga m awụ a fool, a very big fool. Mmadụ ịghọrị m. I will be a very big fool. Agala m far and near n'ala Igbo study na-ahụkwa ụzọ na-ahụ ọdịnihu. When man am ga wezu bota no ofia maka ihe ndị mmadụ ga-ekwu maka mkparị a ga-akparị ma whatever mgbachi nkịtị. Posterity will not forgive me. Mgbe na-agwa ndị Igbo biko na onye ọbụla bụ onye Igbo nsị gị hụrụ Igbo n'anya, ihe anyị ga na-ekwu okwu Igbo otu eji echekwawa Igbo. Na Hausa abatago ọka. Na ndị aka na-asọrọ anya awụ ọtụtụ n'ime nọ na social media na-ebu echi ihe federal gọọmenti na-eme na-ebu echi eziokwu. Mana ihe na-agbụwa m obi m jiri hụ na anyị atọla anyị amara n'ọnya n'ọhụrụ oge agha ime ụlọ. Agha ime ụlọ na-ekpochapụ ezinụlọ. Ihe na-agbagwa ama obi na-awụ nga anyị kwesịrị ha nọrọ na-eti olu. Agha ime ụlọ ka a na-alụ. Anyị bịa kwugide okwu ruo ebe mmiri a si baa n'opi ụgbọ ọgara agha ime ụlọ a si na-apụta asọ onye tikwule ya ọnụ. Mgbe na-ele ndị niile na-aba mba etikwule ya ọnụ, I will be potential dead men out of their own foolishness, out of the fact that ha hụchara eziokwu for one reason or the other, because ha are so fanatical, so brainwashed that they find it difficult to live. I'm not to secret societies, not to churches, and I'm the mad. And I wonder, Lord, the mother should tap on the hand. Oh, where do mania? Now, human brain can be manipulated, and once it is manipulated,
after saying all this nonsense,
and the brain and the work. So Nandi here method I want to push why no only would they have passionate about anything unless more one and one way and so that number one. Number two, Anya a very good source of information. Makoni wobula watakura in Kepezo, that is why some of us who so when a team kuna crack and I water zero. Him to wear what I want to be media person where I where when so could shock them, and that is why.
Okay, for now, this age go while you somehow. This dissolve by second name in the US now. Oh, hit the well. On as the Kuzo on the Kuzo now, and I can ask support the DAS. The chickens my call. You got to give a call. I'm a contract, personal interest, a bone. All of them are the same. Yeah.
On your bully, who potrana cheating, with anger. The anger wanna deceit in area. On our wawopi. Na trust in your question. I hear we have in a mirror wine eventually. You will say no work was in a mirror wine. On our Bahara. That is why you mother the car. To Vika, a Panamon boss and make a big good decay so let you in here. Kineti kandi nokwa polisi na nwukwa gogo ona agbawobi ihe m ji ndị niile ji m kwa okwu enweghị onye m na-ewesara iwe enweghị onye m gwara okwu enweghị onye m kpọrọ iyi. I was once like that. Mana na-emekwe m bụ na adị m akpọ mmadụ ihe adị m akparị mmadụ. I engage constructively. Ekwe m ihe m chọọ ga-adị because mother
he says that none of them are constitute nuisance on social media. Now the was in but it was in a Kujo. Now actually you cook more that video because I don't want to delay prolong this live stream. Because if I get a video you just tag come on careful, didn't get careful not as say after insulting mass number of Ghana and wishing that you buy, she's not trying to your video is everywhere. Madam Pinto. Otherwise, cover. Again.
We don't go for nothing. I always yes, not where you hear on your when I mean you carry benefit of doubt, no matter him like again. the benefit of doubt. When are you on your plan again, typical? No matter he could enact a benefit of doubt. And when he no, your child. But we are not here handy with every year now. He and I might hear get rich again. He and I might hear get rich go. He won't aqua. What else I be in my pota? No, he had the one. A mother goes to the video, a mother banner, but my pota. Defend was the one here now. And when you're Kenyan on Ga, or on your Kenyan, I don't know who get there. In here now, ma. Yeah, I got what you would. In here now, ma. Is she a giddy? Indeed, yeah, now, ma. He's an anti, I know. Yeah, now, ma. He's here. A real lot toto. Maki hingene. Maki yana, ma. He's here. I watched the show Bodo, you boom bata. Oh, when I can down, I could do. Makiana Madishia, not. But when I one movie, I am not in you about Woka. I am not in you about Woka. On your blood, what show well. On your bulla, you only will never get money. And this foolishness and this madness, on your black share. So, one way, what does you make it? You is on your instant my case, said Baka Bako. So one does. Gas or woe Pudugi, Chakwa woe Pudugi. When came in a minute, when you case him on
hold on. How can someone now get guy and pay? Kina is support or chick does ever. No, that bonny get you go ESN. Now, what it get a guy got you go over the guy got you go over the yeah, any never means of hiding from what she had already claimed that she can do. How about supporting the ESN in the chicken deserve? This woman, Uchechi. What come on with a little na no did it? Kamama Gairu Naga goes wed than each in us. Negant.
then when I am Niku, edge like him, so no. Yem Nikundi, what you like him, Mumma Lano, or near report to catch him and no, Maka. IPO. You know, yeah, him report what we here to see. Head to. I wouldn't make it like him in the first place. And when many regrets. Kagana require you borrow. Nagani. Macanorum Naru, of the Tundama and Anamaru on women, Naizunolum. To keep them safe. And the Kenemne Genechuku, I was safe. And my family were also safe. I allow Udo Anachi. Onyo bula bonyi bubiko na banyage. Nebe no, nebe ku. Biko, ihe kagodo mkpa. Weche kwa wagodo na ali Igbo nke anyị. Maka na otu oji do gba na meche na ihe niile awụ distraction ka akụ nwuri anyị anya. Kama anyị ga na-ekwu okwu ihe na-eme anyị. Insecurity ka nọ n'ala Igbo and insecurity nọ n'ala Igbo kita agba aka mere.
Open cup okume.
Insecurity nọ n'ala Igbo now majorly government agents. Ndame.
Thank God, River Goddess.
Anum ka nọ nso nkwa na a report.
If you're not on to don't worry. Like I see, Mazi Namakan himself knew that. Some of them they play video Mazi Namakan where he said that IPOB does not belong to me. It does not belong to my family. You know that video? Because I'm a difficult. So because no opposite was not cafe also. Go on a cafe so president overthrow him to replace him. Kekos cafe also. No, na ke ejide kidnap. Then what is offense? What is offense? Oh no, with your problem. Can't believe the money. Before ejide, how many times ke gwara was get good only? I was on we go get on the DSS on that place. We go lead that place. We go lead. On actually not why you should before ejide. You joke your those time. Also get here Nigeria. That means you're a criminal. People need to understand something. The more you are pushing as if you without you anyway and about two bantaya in our class. I say in a hino negative.
Also, and there about that place. And I want the Tiger Base. I got a banner led by a Yoruba man, Ola. And when did a wire kiri. Haganga na one open on fire. Non so when this report. Babushin the mad. What I send them mad every. Babushi when I think babushi. I say I'm with the information no more man on Ghana Bamma. Ono get bend on her on fire. Babushin the mad. In the Tiger Base. That discussion I know on social media. Me lie. That discussion I know on so I know some or to there on a hey budia. How about gather ring the lights more send their mother to Buddha many investigation Makandi press and
Man at the same Tiger Base can dig in Akola to donate to ego. Now governor now from Tiger Base had no very good contract. I want Tiger Base now. Then no wasn't resist to Tiger Base aketa. Imapota na nebu no ngosa best na someone ekpa na America de bunde buy. The same go agapota na the buy no na police. And well why since cash shots na udere na ebugari polo. Ndị Igbo, which I am against Igbo mad to the rest. I'm against Igbo, but I sitting at the story. When talking down, telling me the whole story. Ever can we issue. Now, you would expect Keshos and Dotufa, and then agitated for Nigerian army. Why is Igbo and I suppose I will write Igbo does. The question about why not also into Keshos now with the Nandotufa? Why if I'm on social media? Only that put up a protest. You are here now looking for whom to blame. Oh, okay, Keshos now. She was here. She was just here praising Jovica. Now, the question is who and who is actually in contact or in line with those that you just confess now that Tiger Base Gareba na banku akwa na me give this why we born them man na fan no man of there as an investigative journalist is name as a journalist why not carry out who and who told Tiger Base? You get the point now. Can we go there first? If another person do the investigation and find out who, they say, oh, Igbo. Nobody is talking about those who give that misinformation to Tiger Base for them turn out to come down by innocent people. If you the police well, know they take bribe as a police on social media. It's your duty also to police well. Do not do this selective judgment. You are not actually different from Keshos and Dodo. You are not different. Anyway, yeah.
Them to 100% and I report in a man leave. Manager Hunde Saha Wundiwo. Non go one and not one he. They cook him up, man is good. So say back a hazuru. ha pụta ịmụ ọkpa n'ala ugbu a ha hụwa nsha n'ọhịa ngwa ha gbagara England pụta kọlụ out Tiger Base ị ga-ahụ ha mana ihe a na-ebe a ndị ofe mmanụ ndị Yoruba abịa bịa join zi anyị nechụrụ na-ekwokocha anyị isi ọnụ maka na most of them nọ nga ugbu a na so na-akpọghị because they know what I stand for ka a na-akpọrịzi ka asị ihe na-ekwu adịghị mma mana anya ga-give up, we keep pushing. So ihe m jiri bịa ugbu a na biko na ọnwụ na ọ ga-ekwe na anyị eme ka anyị tiwezi anya n'ihe na-emegodo n'ala Igbo ka anyị save ala Igbo na ndị amị niile nọ n'ala Igbo wụ ndị repentant Boko Haram and ihe Buhari ji wee kwuo ka ha hụzie ụzọ nọrọ on ground. So I surround the guy anyị otu ịhụrụ ugbu a na etinya and this ihe a na-eme wa agreement this our current president na nke prap ihe a wa agreement APC government wo ka eme jihad ihe ọnụ hụrụ ọ na-eme ihe eme ndị Igbo na-epost ihe na-eme na be ndị Igbo bịa na-agbụwa m obi ụna amaghị na unu na-enye aka promote sensitize or na-epush ihe na-emebe ha na-achị ha ọchị nyere ha aka wọra ha midia ana m ajị ndị a na-achị ndị ofe mmanụ ọchị na-achị anyị nwaanyị na-ebe akwa ahụ dụcha mma unu ọhụ na nke onye ofe mmanụ share anything ndị Igbo na sha as our own challenges unu ọhụ ya because ha mana ha share ya they are helping to broadcast it nke ha eme.
Very, very good. I'm happy that you said you made this point. Gochukwu mo your friend man potanya na-eshie na Sunday Igbo na constitute nuisance. What are you Yoruba? Pota na-ekwu na Sunday Igbo na constitute nuisance na social media. Na ife Sunday Igbo na-esusu. No na cause ọchụ na Yoruba. Agwa unu na mmadụ bụ journalist na ya na broadcast ịmapụta ịmara what it takes ịjụrụ ajụjụ if gwa m ofe Yoruba pụta na-ekwu okwu si support wa OPC even OPC kakwa makarịa for this criminals in the US si hapụ Sunday Igbo ọ bụzi OPC my favorite group is among another group. The linkage will compare. OPC is I'm not insulting them, but just imagine or support police, governors, tout. Show me a Yoruba woman that is exactly doing what you are doing. I've said what you have said. So you much a different market. I don't support people sharing in Yoruba. That I don't support it. I've made my mistake by talking about it, but I don't anymore because it is very clear what is going on in Nigeria is actually it is meant to give us freedom if you can utilize it very well. But if you miss this opportunity, it may not be funny. They won. Let's just continue.
Ozugbo mere ha bido mata na ha ga-eto Nnamdi Kanu ma ha tụrụ ya nga enwezi ndị ejikwa nke aha anwụ anyị ọgụ ọkwa ndị Yoruba etole Nnamdi Kanu ha ọta ka Nnamdi Kanu kwuru kwa ọkwa ha wụ ndị kwụga that is how stupid and rigid we are. Kịta na ha ewele nwayọọ lakwa obe ha nwekwa ya na-anụ olu ha ikekwe ụgwa na ndị nwere ike nọ ndị nwere ike asọ na ha ndị ugwu akwụ na-egbu ha because enwe nke m hụrụ ebe ha somebody weta ebe ha na-eme ga ma ndị beggars na ha na-achụ ha codedly na-anụ olu ha mana ihe anyị nọ na ya awụ ha keepkwa anyị busy ha study chago anyị nwa bụ ndị Igbo study anyị very well keep anyị busy with mmadụ pụtazi ya na-aṅụrị n'ọkwa taa ka ha na-ekwu ya anyị nwa ndị nke kwu ezi ya kemgbe gịnị ka unu mere ọkwụghị ka a na-akpọzi ndị ofe mmanụ ka na ha ga-alụzi ya ha ga-alụtazi ụlọ No, ha June what idea June na alogo nke manu na ama. Anka mgbu no na ga eji onu. Ihe ndị ugwu ji wee wakpo ndị ofe mmanụ ogbu a na-awụ na agreement ha na Tinubu na Slack. Maka agreement wụ na ekele anyị bụ ndị Igbo. Ndị ugwu ga-ekere ala anyị, ndị ofe mmanụ mee anyị inherit. Otu ahụ ndị ọcha ji bịa bucha Afrịka, ebuchala anyị nwa bụ ndị Igbo. Nwa president ọ dapụrụ ya n'ọnụ, okwu kwuru ekwu na ha ga-eme nwa inherit na ndị ugwu nwere ala anyị. Kama anyị niile ga-agbakọji aka ọnụ na-azụ ala anyị, anyị na-adọgbusi onwe anyị. Over what? So onye ọbụla bụ onye Igbo na-anụ olu m taa, ọ bụrụ na ị hụrụ Igbo n'anya, gawa meeting n'obodo unu mara na otu unu just strengthen security.
No longer yes and no.
And ọ bụrụ na iso n'ihe nọ na social media na-akpọ onye Igbo ibe gị you need onye kwuo okwu ignore it. Promote insecurity na-emebe anyị. Enwe ihe nụrụ. Talk about it.
One thing you need to understand is that there's no way you will talk about the security in an Igbo land today. Listen, that you will not mention Udele, Jovika, Ikenguru Ago, Yambaba, that to be something like that, Keshos, Raf Wazurike, this woman, Inez. Some of you will say it will be like, why Raf? Good. Raf said, why I mentioned Raf is this. What Raf said that Blessendom. Many of you know, but I have shown Blessendom here. That is on Facebook. Not a very, very big, responsible platform or broadcaster or content creator. He's just doing his thing. Looking at her, you actually know that she's working for either a politician or somebody is fitting her bill. Because she's not doing content to help herself financially, but she's just doing it just like she don't care about the view, but as long as master will see that I'm doing this, she's okay. And another man from Achalugo who lives, I think it's somewhere in Germany, in Europe, the way one white bear like that, and a couple of other people that are still now, on a sideline. Some of them have started showing their energy without hiding anymore. A couple of them, and many of them are from Anambra. Many of them are from Anambra State. Few of them from Imo. But the Imo own are more hardened, like they are more, and few the one called Chioma at the state. Maybe if I have time, I may compile their pictures and be showing you. And of course, this man called Joey Bokwe. The reason is I'm not calling their names for you to go and attack them. I'm not saying, oh, they will not work in Biafra land. I don't support threatening. Why I'm saying this because they will be the one, they will start by telling you security, now they're gonna buy, insecurity, now they're gonna buy. But when you come down to follow what they're doing, like their own activities, you will find that they're actually the one embodying this security. Okay, make it to make sense. You are saying that Nigerian army, according to how I'm quoting her now, that Tiger Base went to where they're having function like maybe burial or something like that. They went and buy innocent people there. Innocent people there. Tiger Base, not ESN here. Tiger Base is actually military barrack, I think in Imo State. Then, after saying this, you have access to the information. Then, of course, I did not mention SDS. They are part of it, and this is a link up. They will tell you that their job is, that what they're doing is they just want to make sure that Igbo land is peaceful. It sounds good. Then what? that Nigerian army is killing innocent people. So they have to fund ESN. Nigerian army is killing people. Like from DOS point of view. Then after saying that Nigerian army is killing people, what they will security and all that, then one of their member, like Epo Kodike, will not tell you that, will not say that, will not say on his own that autopilot, Simon Ekpa boys, Omonga Simon, are the one causing insecurity. That they are going to chase them away. That they know they can. That him and the governors are doing something good to stop these people. That security. At the end of the day, you find out that Epo Kodike is supporting people using the same tiger base to go after other people whom he claimed they are the one causing insecurity. But Epo Kodike group are against tiger base. Now, how do you understand what I'm saying? SGS is also supporting. This one is working with SGS. So she's not saying that, she's not confirming to you that a tiger base did carried out so crime. Then she's also telling you to fund Chike to say Chike is also, they're also pretending that tiger base is buying people, right? At the same time, they believe that Simon Ekpa, Prime Minister, which is not true, but they will link him up and call Rabese. Sometimes they call Ogenkere, sometimes they call a few other people, right? Now, they say that they are the one creating insecurity in Igbo land. But your member is confirming that tiger base also killing people. You don't talk about that. One of your member again will be telling you how they're going to work hand in hand with tiger base to go after those people that you mentioned. Then later you will not turn around and say tiger base is killing people. I don't understand it. Iken Guru Hagu is working with state government, with tiger base, with military, and all this thing, right? The number one person that Iken Guru Hagu, like his best friend, dear bestie, is DOS. This one, I'm talking about SDOS, whom this woman is telling to fund them. But at the end of the day, this SDOS is working together with Iken Guru Hagu. When you collect all this in simple terms, they are all answerable to state governors. And they are the one I fight against this security. That's why when I said that these guys are jihadist enablers, because if you watch her video, you will think that she carries Igbos at heart, like she cares about Igbo. Whatever she's saying it about Igbo people first. She hates what is happening in our land. She's actually out to help Igbos. She don't like what is happening. That is what you will be seeing from her, right? But she will tell you that she supports Nwelo. She supported Nwelo under Chike Dozem that is not looking for Nwelo. That's not looking for Wolo, but she's supporting Wolo. At the same time, she's also telling you to get your PVC that Peter will be boy and Kai. Distracting people, making our people not to be able to reason to realize the danger. They will start by Nandi Flanet you go and buy. Maybe watch out the golf market if you can flange in the buy. On our wagon of na criminals, so if you find the Buna now, Uban the Buna neighbor need to stop. Oh, what a new. Or second, a Simon Ekpanando to find the Buna buy. It is a surprise. Kelly Flanos. No, Simon Ekpan. My father and me for them and buy. What again now? They can say anything at any given time. They can, if you follow them, hoping that they will stand on their own word, though, that they said in your presence. It's not rumor. You heard it clearly. But they will never stand on that to defend it, to even work with it. Because the plan, the template did not say so. You get the point now.
I need the Kayabaka chip on the Nda now. As on do moma, upon do moma, cage, and do moma, Dopota had a babu of you. Agent why you near less than our population by the day. Makahaman and no labels in Hebrew, near less than day.
She's against that story, that story that mama. No, I beg about innocent people. She's like, judging by what she's saying, she's against it. But believe you me, SDOS believe that no mama. Yakbo, book with it, and I look at the one no mama in Africa. Yamahamed had have yeah, 5 years white, years 3 years this, years that. Now 3 jinka, oga year story. Then you begin to wonder how come you have this kind of in-depth, like this kind of private information about them that requires somebody who is an insider to know. Everybody will tell you. Or blown all the intelligent, Kamana, he's actually against an evil. But they're not going to let you know. Okay? Oh, wait.
Ga wee ruo echi mmadụ apụta ha mana ịnwụ ndị Igbo ọgụ eni agaghị awụ ọgụ ihe ọzọ ha mezi ewu a na-egbu anyị otu then keep anyị busy with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Gị wuru onye Igbo na-eme mmadụ pụta kwuo uche na ọ dị a na-akpọ karịkarị ka nkịta ka m jụta na gị ihe niile ahụ onye pụta kwuo uche ị na-akpọ karịkarị ka nkịta.
That is another problem. In as much as people should talk their mind, say their mind, oh, we move big or believe for John. Let us learn this. Or believe every time Gigi go big. You could hear. Oh, Gigi go big. You may Iran. Maka no na no debe ni los bi bia buru bi no ko ifi na malo ne maria ko nke ma ko to sara ndị mmụọ ka fajira ka fa no ga wija oblo gwa gị imanku chi fe niile ko suwe because o go ga mi ko ya wo go ge imanku ya ifu ya na mana ikwu obi gị dị mma mana sometimes jo go bi man chọrọ ikwu no gịnị ka ọ ga-emebi kedu ife ọ ga-eweta mmadụ ndị ka ọ ga-abara uru mmadụ ndị ka ọ ga-ekeji down ọkwa obi gị kwuru mana ọ na-enwe effect. So that is why anyway let's what did I even click? Come back. Let's continue.
Kedu aka o nyere onye ise ịhụnanya aka ka o nyere Igbo aka ka o nyere gị nwa aka ka anyị ghọta nụnụ ka ndị iro si bịa na nke ikpeazụ anọ ikewa anyị enwekwa na ihe a na-akpọ freedom of speech ka anyị respect anụ ya irrespective na ọ bụ ọkwa onye ọbụla na-aba mba anụnwa from Mazi n'anya ndị na-eti mkpa ka mmadụ si wee kwuo what you don't know is bigger than you. Enwere ọtụtụ ndị ga na-arụkwa ihe ahụ ka a hapụ ịghọta ihe na-eme. So iwuru onye Igbo ala Igbo ka a chọrọ ịnara anyị ihe ga na-eme ewu ịgba mbọ ihe ị ga-eme ka anyị secure ogodo ala Igbo ka m gwuo na ihe ga-eme take this thing m na-agwụ to the bank dee date taa denye aha lọlọ Nneka Chimezie kwuo na m kwuru ya the plan wo the Islamic nation na-eme agree na a ga-eme jihad all over the world. Plan ha wo na Europe otu ha ga-esi enweta ewu ha mecha increase their population. Ile anya na Europe, London na ụfọdụ na-alụzi nwoke ibe ha, nwaanyị na-alụ nwaanyị ibe ha, ndị nke ga-ala alụ mụọ ha mụọ otu mụ abụọ ndị Muslim na ebe ahụ lụọ anọ ha na-amụ 20. Before you know it, population ha na-akarị ha were vote nara ọchịchị. Simple. So ndị ọcha amụtala ya ugbu a na-akakwashi ha ụkwụ n'aka. Then in Africa, abịa study ndị a na-amaghị na Muslim nations can Africa carry Christians. Christians actually are in the minority.
I don't believe that.
We are in the minority in Africa, Christians.
In Africa,
So,
okay. I don't Africa.
then in Nigeria.
But in Nigeria, you know that we are not minority.
Nigeria were a member of OIC, Organization of Islamic Countries. And then even in Nigeria, Yoruba an Islamic nation, Mazi when also an Islamic nation. So that is why Buhari na Tinubu part of the agreement and the agenda will have a jihad. Na Nigeria can't convert to Nigeria totally. Take it to the bank. Take this thing to the bank. Right to the states. Part of agenda ya ka ha jiri gụrụ ozugbo enwede ebe chọrọ ka ndị Igbo kpute. Owodo no maka hatred. No, achọrọ ka anụ the plan. Na service chiefs ndị Igbo enwede ebe ha nọ. One bit. Ndị Igbo anyị enwede ebe ha nọ. Name from number 1 to number ndị banda aga security meeting during Buhari's time. Ebe ha ka nọ bank kata we study anyị. We study anyị. We hụ na ha nwa bịa nwanyị ọgụ nke ha nọ that civil war a na-eblame Ojukwu ọchị na atọrọ m unu. That civil war was actually a continuation of the jihad. The genocide in the north a continuation of the jihad. Manam we have meet a stiff resistance. Nketro wanile nanya. Makwiyawo. Imakwiyawo di wo. Ima bi oba na ine turn na gide medila. Iya ukwa in old glory. And now target gide media right now. I need to carry old glory turn. No, you should look at your situation now. Aya da ugbu now. Ndị niile a na-agba egbe ọnụ ga-eke ọhịa ntutu shikoto n'ụgbọfuo. In fact, enwere ụfọdụ ụmụ nwoke mwa bụrụ ọlụ Nneka Chimezie ga-aka akwụ n'ihe agha ihe agha karịa ha niile na-agba egbe ọnụ. That is all glory. These people ewere otu obi were lụọ ndị agha ntụrụ ha n'anya. But one where Matanya, one weakness due to one few of them when mother de Kazik, Lanas and Lagos. Not ever a big and do Uchechi Layog. Or well, Muyanda come near where to be warm on with the Mebu. And I can you this hard truth. So I have young and there compromise a mother de Kikan Machikua. That's so. Hey, no one I have I get push more. So that system Buhari na Tinubu use to give me jihad. Record it right to today's date. Nabanye. Then in vision Nsono nje potawa ihe mpotawa around 2012 2015 na ya gide unite. Why get unite now? Why get unite? Mbe ka mbidoro njem a mbidoro kwakwawo ụmụ nwanyị. Awesome start from the women. Nwanne. Bido na-ekwu ihe a m na-ekwu ụfọdụ ndị oche na ọ dị ordinary. Ọ dị ordinary oke ibre nwaanyị ha ka m chi ụmụ ise nọ na di. Hapụ gị ime ụlọ m. Gaa on a suicide mission for 3 years n'ala Igbo. Na-report ụnụ n'aka aka. Something that take away my peace to go and report. Kamgbe ahụ m sheba m fete ebe m shi n'otu enwebedo otu m na-eti ibedi isi for this Igbo unity. Wee hụ na the Igbo unity self the more difficult. Mgbe hụ ihe o ji wee gwa m that for Igbos to unite it's like a camel passing through the eye of a needle, so it's almost impossible. Odogo m anya. maka na mgbe IPOB pụtara obi tọọ m ụtọ nse nwedị ihe ga-eme ka a hapụ ịgbajili ha olu ịgbakwali ha olu lele na anyị lele IPOB ebe arụ na-eme ebe onye isi ji aka ya na-ekewa otu ya ụnụ ọhụhụ na arụ emego ihe m chọpụtakwara na ndị iro anyị dị ka ha gbagokwa afọ anụwa wee chọpụta na achị igbu ndị Igbo merie anyị make sure they don't unite ha gbago afa ya because ebe ha na-epushi karịa ewo our disunity onye ọbụla pụtara ụgbọ a na-atụ ọnụ ịchịkọ ndị Igbo ha gbuo onye ụta ka echi bufe Iwu Anyanwụ maka I was very close to Iwu Anyanwụ wụ onye bịara mgbe anyị mere ihe na Disemba ya bịa hụ ụmụ skuul hụ ihe anyị na-eme na-etisi na ihe awụ the first time ya na-aga ihe ndị Igbo wee nwee ebe a na-eme ihe ya wụrụ maka ọdịmma Igbo na-ekwu okwu asụsụ na-epushi maka ọdịmma Igbo ya mee m invite n'ụlọ ya na December 20 January 2024 host m to a banquet si m biko ụdị sọpụ na ụdị ndị anyị ka ya na-achọ Iwu Anyanwụ was moving round ka ọ chịkwa ndị Igbo ha kwere trap bufue okwetiri m mkpi ya ụta m na ugbu a na most of ihe ahụ kwuru mgbe ahụ ụfọdụ ndị ama na federal government na some state governors sponsor that thing because ahụ na mmewu onye kwochiri na atụghị ụjọ na-eti na-ebe ugbu a na-aga ọ na-edo m anya.
The level of praise she showered on herself is second to none. But I don't blame her. I blame those that are taking her serious.
I told you for the way I wasn't taking it too serious. Manozi, when they take what was some opinion down, Mogashly. Name. What job you do to one? If you do body, why am not body? When I want to give on you one egg on to time. A gap at Taranya or to begin you.
I beg you, get out. Now, let's hear what how Achalugo replied her.
Evening, everybody. Depending on where you are joining me, come on, each and every one of you. More can up on Achalugo. Achalugo name where I did Chacha, Ada Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Ina ya kitana mwega fudat na ebe ni na jugoyi. Nde na pata BM noise everywhere they go come na. Hana he zogale ni ijeze na their platforms na he ga na afobo. Na IPOB card in support of us. And IPOB card na full letter na afo ihe na afo jigasi. All those things na lie. Na then the right time. When any IPOB family do with them. Ihe ni nebu propaganda ka na akwe. They are just doing propaganda. Ka ha wee ka o wee dekwa asif ko nwe ihe ha na-emetụ nothing ọkụ anyugo Mazi Nnamdi ka na-ekwenchi go the whole fire onye ọbụla anakpugo n'ezu ike okwefuge ha na ha agbaghali na afụ m video this woman a na-akpọ Nneka Chimezie Madam Imiezi ọ pụtara na mamma today ka o medoda video ka yesterday ọ na-akọ azịna ọ na-atatagheli ọnụ nne nwaanyị na-alabaghị ịtọ nne nwaanyị na-ama ha aka ni from aka ekpe nne nwaanyị na-ama atụtụrụ gbanaga okenye alụlụ ana nne nwaanyị na-agwụ ofe look at you ọ bụrụ na ị maka ede ikwesịrị na-apụta na social media si na ị na-ekwu okwu ọ bụrụ na ime otu ịdụ how you look that's ụdị nzuzu ede na ụdị stupid ede if you happens to be my mother I would disown you. I would deny you before the public. Makachuku, you were a disgrace. Why you marry ife? That's in a mebogasi omoge. You are disgracing your children. Afu me na kotogiri. And na kwa is na security yemen kama wewa na ala. Kende nebusi sawa people na Biafra land onobu Chinasa Nworu. Koninu be a series of killings Chinasa Nworu nebugasi ndebe anyị. You never hear them. Chinasa na agbazigo no na edugi zuzughaleba akpa anage kita isi ga epego mpabi. I hope that's na ego nwayo na because all the whole you na-elewasi all this while Mazi Nnamdi Kanu ekwenchigo the fire na kpuo. Ifugo na that no ya bụ the supreme commander. O command go onye obona epego mpe. Everybody akamugo na okwa efugie. So kita anu wi ejezie nwe efe suoru digo utara ji ma obo utara ede. Anụmanụ nwụrụ anwụ. Ifela ade emegati your age. Ina ameghale. Ke onye salụ n'ọnụ more than you na this social media. Ina asị na ịnụ ihe ndebe anyị na-ekwu n'ọnụ. That's na ojogbulu nke ikwulu nkọ onye uchu nke ikwulu nkọ ụjọ atụrụ gị maka na chekeleke na-edu gị ifu gị ebe chekeleke dujere gị na inwe ike pụta na social media kita nwa kwuo okwu na people ege ntị without insulting you brought it upon yourself. Look at it, just makpụrụ n'ime ihe na mmadụ isi na ọdịa ego DOS na consistent governors hoso enye gị iso elie Iputa because ni feel that's no kara ifugo ndị ọnụ kala that's ifugo ndị ọnụ kala aka na ebiege makpuru if no enter inside ikale puta kwa isi na ebo galadima onye ihori ihu nwụrụ anwụ ị na-alaghala ile iputa na asa n'ọnụ ifugo ihe mee gị na ikwetego that's no na-eme na abi ikwetego okwe otu aka ọ ga-adị each and every one of you ọkụ na anyugo ọkụ unu megeni onyụrụ anyụ onye ọbụla na kpuo Mazi Nnamdi Kanu ekwenchigo fire niile. Everybody should go and rest. Unu ga-afu ka esi aserve the indigenous people of Biafra now. Unu for this our new leadership, unu go see wonders. Accountability na water. Unu ga-afu ihe bụ that na people are serving us. That they are serving the Biafran people. Unu ga-afu ihe a na-akpọ leadership. Obuhu that of Chikedozie m onye oshi agbata eke. Unu ga-afu ihe ndị a ga-eme. Unu go see them. Ndị ala. Unu pụta unu na awọtọgharị ọnụ. Chekeleke dunye gị. Gụbịa kọtọ die ibe bịa kọtọ. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu jikwa eselu nwa ka ikwuchala ihe niile a gị n'imelu. Ọ chụpụzikwere Chikedozie na Chinaza nwere ka ọ chụturu ha. Ime gịnị ime nwụrụ eneten. Ifugo n'isi ga-epego mpe. Onye ji igu ka ewu na-eso. On that note, my people, ignore Madam Isi Punk. Ignore Madam Imiezi. The woman are the relevant. Iwatago. Ndewo na ụmụ Chineke ka m bịakwana.
All right, so that is it. And like I told you, we are going to wind down now. I sent this link before I start playing this last video. The link has been on the comment. So I'm going to wait for just a few minutes ago. For those of you that don't know, maybe you don't know, I know why I'm saying this. In case if you don't know, please ask your neighbor. Just a moment. Let's hear this.
Abuna mkuchi ihe na-ekwu na unu ya watch ya fu video na ya watch next. Now ma mkuchi okwu. Ka unu fu otu esi wee na-ekesa ego IPOB Chinasa Nwankita Chicken Edozie m na ndị otu ya XDOS otu ha si eri ego ndị IPOB otu ha si distribute ya to their members. Iya watch the video na and ka ba watch ro video a n'isi ka ịnụ onye nyere data ego iya ahụ aha ya o mecha kpọ aha ya n'ikpeazụ otu a ka esi agowusi anyị na-atụ dus 5 years and ha gwara ihe eji ego anyị na-atụ na IPOB eme anyị ama na ndị ajọs balance ya na-ezu ego IPOB na-ekeri n'ime ha na-eri mana emecha hapụta na-asị siblings of iniquity siblings dị ego IPOB madam nne ya ji ego IPOB go property Mazi Nnamdi Kanu zuru oshi ego IPOB ndị niile ha na-akpọ enwe onye riri chichi IPOB rather than ọha nwa bụ ndị na-ezu ego IPOB ifuka ndị a si na ndị a wezigote ndị oshi watch ya na video unu watchcha ya gbaa mbọ ka watch ruo n'isi unu were ntị unu onye nyere the money no ka esi nye ego nya were ọnụ ya kpọ aha ya ka unu fụzie anyị na-ekwe ya na-egosi unu evidence okay watch ya na video na ndewo aka mbụ nwanne unu nwanyị Njideka na Canada ndewo watch ya na video.
Yeah, Mazi Keke, good evening, sir. Yeah, just less than 1 hour ago, come with the alert. Maka Chineke, una Zoland, IPOB family, or a family to be proud of. A family one should always be proud of. My mother expected that I will get such favor so easily. It was them I can know IPOB. You understand? But thank God that I'm part of IPOB. Family in the honorable one, but also at least I can boldly say yes. I'm a beneficiary of honorable one, but also yeah, our family are very, very wonderful. Badika. When I see one neighbor, I can't see with the guy. I think I watch IPOB group individually and collectively. Magic. How life couldn't save the lady in question, my woman, I couldn't so starting from level on our level almost 2 days before the tour. So and she lost a lot of blood. So when I could not get blood percentage here nearly 19 instead of 30 something of rate. So I only got the blood about 1 or 2 pints of blood. In fact, everything which is 270,000 can she go. And where Benyamaka Sibia. So that's why I contact Mazi KKC and the quick she did them. That man you that number my matter to go on a table already and I deliberate. I'm going to which in a Mazi cake and you come update. You go to my matter shaga. But in a card, I did him so much. It's enough on your dendo. Cholego. I had my that nigga and I saw catch them come Jimmy or something. But this one we need to first save life. I could whatever. Makwarias and the quick shade. Can we have anything happen them? Water. So which Mazi KK Papa Mazi Collis Makwaria. So the reason with me. So I have brethren, the family. Water. So and in few hours after Kuche Funa, that's Senator Omega. I will come to family center there, the KC Kuya. So I was so happy because the problem is solved at that moment. Whatever. So mana asi Kachinike Gozun Maji. Kachinike go where young with we Gozun. Without wiki we Gozun. Without Gamniru we Gozun. And Kachinike Nyukwa Biafra. Makano Biafra go war line. I could not as on your bola de lamba. That another thing that bring us together, we surely keep us together. And that is Biafra restoration. Whatever. The help to me is a motivation to see that there is a reward in being committed and things that join us together.
All right, that is how they're sharing the money, as you can as being confirmed there in that video. Please make sure you like the video. Let's hear from Madam Origin. You're welcome. The freedom.
Mazi Ndewo ihe ọma mere gị. Everybody come. We must keep up this fight. This is where we are. This is what is going on in our land. This is what it is, and God will help us to overcome. Mazi, I binging, but I got a whole bunch of what was said and not said. Majorly, what was not said is what I want to talk about. Dr. Ngozi Orabueze said, no wonder it is because of these crux of individuals that Biafra never came. And our leaders have suffered. They've suffered in the hands of these crux of individuals. They have seen a lot. They blackmail them. They say what they didn't say. They manage and bungle them and bundle them to anywhere and keep them one place. When they keep them there, they now come back and say, hey, Omo Biafra, Onyen Dunu said, everywhere. Go see what is happening in Finland. If not that our Honorable Oluchiwa God went and asked Prime Minister Simon Ekwer, okay, this is, how about this what do you call it? A protest. He said yes, he's aware. Yeah, protest, yeah. And explained, his role. These people will come out now all over the place just for inheriting and their chronic agitating syndrome. Is becoming a syndrome because it's either when someone is sick and it gets to where it is incurable. It's either you call it a chronic disease or chronic syndrome.
The hot weather is coming soon. You may be hesitant.
So this is what this is what genuine Biafrans have been going through. Just like that's the one that, you see, like you hear some of them when they are screaming and shouting, you'll be like that. It's because the Okudiova. My question I keep asking these people, since I came to realize and see that, how much, and no, there's no Biafran that does not want freedom. None. That is why if you bring out the 80 million Biafrans to come and vote again, which nobody should let them, because the ones that have applied, we have not done census. We have done the referendum. Onye chara referendum again should go and create their own, go outside Biafra land. We've done our referendum. We have redeclared Biafra. Go and drink it and leave us Biafrans alone. All of them now, Manuel Konacho. It's like two fighting. They say, Onyen do say, Prime Minister didn't say. If not for that Reverend Sister Nanyuaro, something happened. We wouldn't know that our Agawani, the United States of Biafra government, have been working tirelessly, sending people, going all of that. But these ones who come out and lie like Nigeria, they lie, they cause. It's just, when are these people anyway? Sorry, I didn't give you. I will have to send you that my clip. We need to remind ourselves that they were in the doctor, and we don't need to really worry ourselves so much about their nonsense. So bottom line is, Omo Biafra, if you have not embraced United States of Biafra right now, as at yesterday, what are you waiting for? That's the only hope. That's the right only place. Go and support your government in the way Hachi. From CRC to IPOB to DOS, Nigeria DOS, everything they call themselves, they are all pressure groups. If you watch the antecedents, you realize that all the footwork, everything they have done, they fall back, continuous agitation, because they don't want freedom. Bottom line, anybody that wants freedom, the freedom has come. The trajectory to get the freedom and to get our build our nation is ongoing. Join the winning team, United States of Biafra and its government. God bless you, Mazi. Thank you so much.
God bless you, Madam Origin. Thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate it. All right, we have come to an end of this live broadcast. I want to thank all of you that joined me. Those of you on the comment section, may God bless you. Those of you that moderate, may God bless you and protect all of us. Please, if you have not liked the video, please do like the video and subscribe to the channels if you have not. See you tomorrow and be of good character. Bye-bye for now. Day one.
Shall all live to witness the land of Biafra. Our enemies are in an almighty mess. Our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, wherever he is, it shall be well with him. And any tongue that rises against him shall be destroyed. Any hand that rises against him shall be destroyed. More importantly, anybody that speaks against Biafra under the supreme leadership of